ain't even got no self-control no more.
Sunny Digital.
I be trying to keep it gangster and shit, but you be having me on that sweet shit. You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time. You shoot my blood pressure through the sky. If you leave my side, swear I die. Girl, you got me, you don't need nobody. I'm in love with you, just your body. And I hope we never separate. I wonder, do you feel the same? Girl, you got me, ain't gotta look no more. I'm all yours, only if you want me to. But there ain't no pressure, ain't no mushy, nigga. But babe, I got a lot of feelings for you. I got different stashes, though I love them routes. But I got all this money in my CD account. You see I'm getting all the cheese like Mickey Mouse. Would you still be here if I'm going through a drought? You in a hot, babe, what you about, babe? Do you want my heart, babe, or you want my clout, babe? You got my heart, you got my soul, you got my mental. I'm talking about you even on the instrumentals. You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time. You shoot my blood pressure through the sky. If you leave my side, swear I die. Girl, you got me, you don't need nobody. I'm in love with you, just your body. And I hope we never separate. I wanna feel the same.
You know I love you, babe, I help you take your head out. You know I'm fucked up about you sitting around your people house. If I were cold that right now, baby, I'd sing to you. I don't even like to kiss, but I be kissing you. I can smell you on my sheets, it got me missing you. You ain't no PS4 or nothing, so I don't play with you. I don't even like to cuddle, I be all under you. I know this shit can dead real, cause I be claiming you. I had a dream, you fucked around and put my name on you. I was ashamed my last bitch, but I ain't ashamed of you. Ain't no fun, baby, I hope we never separate. When you ain't around and hold around, I keep a poker face. I love looking at you, I got you as my screensaver. Sometimes I don't know how you stay around, cause I'm so complicated. You my red velvet, babe, I wanna slice of you. And I can see myself spending my whole life with you.
You got my heart, got my mind. I think about you all the time. You shoot my blood pressure through the sky.
Go get it.
If you leave my side, swear I die. Girl, you got me, you don't need nobody. I'm in love with you, just your body. And I hope we never separate. I wonder, do you feel the same?
Andrew's gonna throw a little freestyle quick.
Oh no. What up? What up, chat? The famous words. What up, chat? Every morning. What up, chat, and what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new Asian Slash analysis.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip drip. Hey, straight up by the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Maybach and now I can sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new coupe. Either you running y'all gang or you Subaru. Got a New Orleans bitch and man, that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now, who knew? I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I've been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass tatted, whoa, whoa. Da Vinci to my toes, 2 twins, I'm fucking them both.
What up, chat? What up, chat? What up, chat? What's up? Giannis? Giannis. Giannis got a ring, chat. I need to change the title to that actually. I was not changing the title to Bucks. Giannis has a ring. There you go. That's the title. Wow. Yo, Bucks in 6. Giannis with the 50. Yo, Marcos, how you feel? How you feeling, Marcos?
Well, as you can see, I shaved my face, so now I'm actually Giannis, and I'm not Devin Booker anymore.
Yeah.
How
Many points did Booker drop last night?
Not enough. Disgrace.
Here's the game. Here it is.
That's rough.
I really feel bad for Chris Paul. Like I genuinely feel bad for Chris Paul. This guy has a fucking curse.
Fuck that guy. That dude's been chasing a ring his whole career.
Yo, I literally thought he had it in the bag this year, especially when they're up 2-0. I thought it was GG's.
You know what's sad? He would have a ring by now. Because do you remember when he was supposed to go play with Kobe and the league was like, nah, they like denied him the trade?
What year?
He would have probably like 2012 or something.
Yeah. I think I remember. Yeah.
That was before we had the new commissioner. Man, he would have already had a ring.
Nah, it sounds like Booker has a gender curse now. The Kardashian curse, you mean? Gender curse.
You dating one? Oh, Booker.
Yeah, Kendall.
Yeah.
Kylie Kendall. All right. Why is my TikTok not focused? What's music's playing? All right. Let me change the music real quick, chat. Let's get started here with the weekly or daily analysis. Do you have any news today? News. You have nothing. Oh, yen holiday. Okay, cool. So you have a bank holiday today. It's a yen holiday. All right. Thinking about this is that the yen is kind of closed right now, right? So, we're closed regardless. The only thing that's moving GJ is gonna be the pound, anyways. So the pound's still open. Pound's still running. I'm still looking to trade GJ today. But I'm not expecting as much volume as we would potentially have because the pound, the yen's closed, right? But the pound's still open. So let's see what happens here. So starting off with GJ here, or should we do gold first? What do you guys think? Let's do GJ first. Starting off with GJ here. I think GJ is obviously bearish of the week. We have came down, tapped our weekly target at 149.535 yesterday. Tap target, all that to the T. Day time frame has came down yesterday, tap target as well. And then it actually closed bullish at the support. If you guys see, surprisingly, I thought we were just going to close bearish below the range, but we actually just closed bullish right at the support. So therefore, I would expect price, since we're closing bullish at support, to create resistance somewhere. And it can be anywhere. It can be somewhere here. It could be somewhere here. Or it can be somewhere up here, who knows, right? But I'm looking for bias with the fact that we are closing bullish support for price to continue up like this towards that resistance today. But where's my, there we go. Something like this is what I'm expecting, as long as price respects the previous daily lows. All right. So spies on small time for me, or buys dropping down to the small time frame would probably be, I want to say the original buys I would have wanted was probably going to be like right around here. We're obviously close above already. Price closed above already. Price pushed up. So now it's just like it's staying above that resistance at least, right? So what I'm expecting here is if we can maybe create a support, which we have been creating a support on a 15-minute time frame, and then another resistance right around here, which we have right here. I believe a closure above this range here, above 150. 100 should take us up towards the next level of resistance, and that next area of resistance is going to be, I want to say right around here. This is clean traffic, but I'll say above here it would be your bias here. The range go up here is going to be an average 37 hit range, but obviously you probably want a closure above, in this case a closure above that resistance, and then we should look to continue up towards the next level of resistance. All right, so that is what I'm waiting for on GJ there. Moving on to gold here. I think gold for the weekly is, wow, we have reflip bearish. Did we close bearish yesterday? I think we did, right? I think gold came all the way down after you hopped off the stream yesterday. Oh yeah, day closed bearish too. So I think yesterday's analysis, right? I broke down gold here. I said how if we close below the support here today, high chance tomorrow you have to price drive down. I think we have drove down towards our target already. The target was right here for the day, and we have tapped it. So with that being said, I mean, I still expect price to push down because I am bearish for a day with the fact that daily count is obviously bearish. Sells for me would be if price were to, I want to say break below here. If we're able to close below there, or I think close below there on a 30-minute time frame, we have ideal price to drive down. We can expect price to drive down towards the next level of support, which is gonna be right here at 1796. So this range go down is gonna be on average here about a 68 pit range. Definitely not bad at all. But I'll probably wait for his 30-minute candle to close. With that 30-minute candle closing, it's gonna be a 1-hour candle closure as well below this range here, and we could look for ourselves coming down for a minimum of 20 pips plus a runner, coming down towards 1796 there. So that's not bad at all. All right, but that's probably what I'll be waiting for. You did break below here. I think it was on a 1-hour time from earlier. Like we had like a support here if you guys saw it from like a couple hours ago. I think an hour or two ago. We had the support here, and this hourly candle closed below, so therefore the 6 a.m. candle should continue down towards the support. So that's probably why we had to push a bit earlier. But obviously I wasn't awake, or I wasn't really trading at that time at 5 a.m. Wasn't even up yet, if anything. But yeah, that is the analysis I have for today. So gold sells below support at 1802, and then GJ buys above 150, 100 is what I have for today's markup. Too much tequila last night? Damn, man. Like, how do you feel?
I'm down bad.
Like, how you feel? Like tired or something?
Tired, fuzzy.
Fuzzy?
My eyes they feel like a little swollen.
So like you want to go back to sleep, basically.
Yeah, definitely. definitely.
Yeah. Up, chat. It's been a while. 24 hours. I'm in position on GJ, but right now I'm stuck in consolidation. How'd you get in? Send a chart, Robert. Trust the stream. I got you in a bit. I need some time to breathe a little bit to finish the analysis. Hold on. I'll check in a bit. Algor Day. I don't want to say Algor Day. I do not want to say Algor Day just because like my bias on GJ for the week was bearish overall, and we have came down top target. We closed bullish today, so like going against the chart on an Algor Day, very rare situation. I don't want to say it's an Algor Day, but it's gonna be it doesn't look that as clean as yesterday, to be honest with you, chat as well. Gold on the other hand, like gold, like not really, because gold, if gold were to close like below here today, then maybe. If you close below here, then maybe an Algor Day, because then you have clean traffic coming down towards 1783. Or you can look to catch this piece right there, but this right here is not the cleanest you can probably get. So I wouldn't say it's an Algor Day. This is a normal day today. Ooh, 15-minute starter play with a 30-minute closing below as well, potentially on gold here. Or it's heavily bearish as well. Hey Don, I'm inspired by you a lot. I've been following your work since you started. You made a good progress. I haven't left all other fake people, just watch the streams when I get time. I've left all of the other fake people, just watch the stream when I get time. Oh man, thank you for the kind words, man. Hopefully you've been gaining something from the streams. You've been gaining some type of value or something from the streams when you show up each and every single time, man. Am I still blocked? I don't think so, man, but you will be soon if you keep on playing the gym. Trust the stream. I got you this. Charts for stream. Why is this one in the? I need to make a AFK thing for my trading call thing because people just join the calls and just do nothing in there. There's only one person in the call. Charts for stream. Where is it? There you go. Carlo, did I give the chart? What's up?
That
One
was on London. Like there was few people from the Discord group.
did no one did they host
trade, it's just what we were looking at.
just host a call last night in London?
No, like literally 3 hours ago. I saw they were in the trading on the Discord, but nobody was sharing their screen. So I just hopped on and shared the screen and then just showed them my chart and stuff. But we were talking like through the charts and we were potentially waiting for a sell on gold, like the things I marked, but the 1 hour closed back in the range, so I just removed the sell stop and left after that. But it was alright, like it was fun. There was like 15 people, I think.
15?
15, 1-5.
Yeah, I think we have a limit set to 30 on that. 150-minute close below support, waiting for a 30-minute close. If you get a close of a nice bond wick, waiting for the next opening candle to make a top wick and flip bearish, using the current candle high as a stop loss. Potential 50-minute start play entry. 2, 50-minute candle broke the previous 50-minute high, still holding the sell stops as the trade is based on the 30-minute time frame. 1 hour closing back in the range in 30 minutes. If it closes back in the range, removing my sell stop. Nice. Yeah, so
We didn't get on.
did it break the lows? It never broke the lows, right?
No, it made a bottom wick first and then it flipped bullish.
Oh, so yeah, the
And,
sell stop.
like, I was hoping for it to kind of reject this support resistance now and then flip bearish. But then what you said, the 1 hour, like when this happened, I moved my support down here. And then the next 1 hour candle closed below this support and then filled kind of this wick down here.
Oh yeah, it's a goes in
You
right
can
now.
see it on the
Yeah.
charts now. On the
Yeah.
yeah.
Yep.
What you
No 1
said.
hour.
Yeah. Because that support was right there. Yeah.
Yep.
But then I moved it on the 30-minute.
Yep. Probably should have easily come down here before the hour closes. I would say to 1800. Let's see. Next chart. That's a good chart. Good trade idea. What is this though? What is this? 1 closer above resistance. 2 closed bearish but respected the previous. Respect the support that was previously broken. 3 entered a buy on the 30-minute starting place. Stops to break even at 8 pips. Partial TP at 10 pips. 15-minute close bullish, anticipating a push up. Ooh, you started play here. So what happened on this trade?
Another one on the 15. Yeah. Doesn't look great right now. I think I'm about to get stopped.
1 what was it? What did I leave off? 3, 4, 15-minute close bullish, anticipating push up. 5 close half after greater 15-minute highs. How I would match the trade: if the current 15 closes bearish and doesn't break the previous 15-minute lows, I'll keep the full position running. If the next 15 candle opens and makes a top wick and breaking the previous 15-minute lows, I'll close half my positions. If the 30-minute candle closes bearish and breaks its own lows, I'll close full positions. Damn. 30 minutes.
Yeah, it closed half when the 15 broke the lows, and my sell stop is the current 30-minute low, the bullish one, this one. I mean, I managed the risk well. The stop loss was a bit big. I think it was like 28 pips for GJ.
Wow. Yeah. Not a bad trade though. Closer above the range. Still a trade. Looking for buys above 150, 100. Waiting for a candle to close above 2, or waiting for a pullback to create support and down take buys to go retest the highs. Makes sense. My daily bias is bullish because the day broke the highs. 36 pip range. I like the idea. Same idea. I have the same idea as you. I'm bullish on for a day, looking for buys above that resistance. Same exact idea. What else you got? I got a lot of charts today already. Got it on the flip. Put stops to break even once I hit 10 pips, and I got to run it for my TP at 1795. Sells below. We're looking for sells today. Me too. Yep. So this is a nice sell. 30-minute start play. It's not bad in 15-minute time frame. I mean 15-minute start play. Sorry, 15-minute start play coming down. Anticipating the price drive down as the day is bearish today. So you're not looking for sells at all today on GJ? No, I'm not looking for sells unless you get a range 2 breakout, because I was bearish for the week, bearish for a day, like not bearish for a day, bearish for the week. Sorry, we have came down, tapped the weekly target already. Daily candle then closed bullish at that support. I am looking for buys today actually, until we get a range 2 breakout. So if we get a range 2 breakout, then perhaps I may consider sells, but until then, no sells for me. Range 2 breakout would be here too, because this is range 1 right here. This is the range we're in. Resistance, support, range, resistance, support, range. This is your range 2 here. So range 1, range 2. If we close below here, I'll then switch my bias for sells coming down to catch this piece right there. But anything in here for sells is a no for me, because I understand that you can get caught in a fake out with the fact that it's still a range 1 breakout on a bullish day today. All right, so below here, however, below 149.344 is a very clean sell position that I'm willing to take. Until then, nothing. Below 149.335. That sounds like they're in the laundry.
I think that's me though.
This is like click. That click.
Yeah, I tried to mute and then let me know if you can hear.
Oh yeah, your background's loud. You didn't realize how loud your background was until now.
I'll stay on mute though. If I want something to say, I'll just ping you. Because if I hear it too, it's the dryer.
Oh, it's a dryer. Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah,
That's how
yeah.
dryer sounds. Marcos,
Yo,
what's up?
much.
What you looking at? On this
I like these,
fine.
I like these gold sales on this in 6 minutes. Stops might be too big if it keeps driving though. It's already a 30 pip stop loss as if it closes as is. Unless you use the 15-minute candle.
There's like this 1 hour support here. I really don't want us to push down further. It's either we close
Yeah.
below 1800 or we just close below 1802 and get the range to go down plus this as well.
At 1800.3.
Yeah, that 1 hour.
So if this new 15 makes the top look a nice big top wick, 7-8 pips, and then flips, would be on that.
You got a video for explaining range 1, range 2? Yes, I do. If you do exclamation point ranges, there should be a video that pops up in the YouTube chat for yes. Yeah, I do. Hey Don, are you trading now? Yes, I am trading now. We are obviously streaming. Not in any positions yet, but still waiting patiently for a position that I'm willing to take. Right, so potentially we have our position here in about 4 minutes here. If we close below 1802.9 or 963 here, this range to go down is gonna be around 60 pip range going down. So eyes on price to retrace a bit more, maybe like 1802.400 would be ideal close. And you can take advantage of that range going down for the 1 hour range, which is this. Plus runners. DT plus 11 pips on GJ. Oh, that was Trace. You know, usually Andre would warn me. I mean, tell me. I have Trace called it up and stuff. I forgot.
Fuzzy this morning.
You're fuzzy this morning? It's
I had
okay.
tequila tasting last night.
Tequila. So were you on like this stuff? You're getting. You're on this list yesterday.
Yeah.
You're vibing.
Yes.
It's too early for this chat. 6:30 a.m. Eastern. First thing you do is play some Smash music and drink tequila.
Ooh, Wix 9 tier early. He's on a trade.
He's on a trade. Wixnine, what's up?
He's on a gold trade.
Wixnine only joins whenever we get a trade. That's it. Or we have potential to get a trade. Which is
so hungover, dude.
yeah, why is everyone hungry? It's a Wednesday today. It's the middle of a week.
My sister-in-law's birthday yesterday, and she said, you know what? Let's make it a club night on a Tuesday.
I life of a forex trader. Every day is Saturday.
God, I can't breathe. I feel like I'm breathing fire. I feel like my computer screen's fogging up. It's crazy. Can't believe I'm up.
Can't believe we're up. Wow, G's coming back into the range there, closing back into the range on a 30-minute time frame in about 3 minutes here, or 2 minutes here. Gold buy or sells, sir? I'm looking for sells and gold, sir. The GJ bank holiday not tomorrow, is today. Isn't it today? Yeah, bank holiday today, all day. All day.
What, the pound or the yen?
The yen.
Oh, who cares?
Who is Gianna? Control effects. Fuck. Giannis. That's what Giannis from Giannis. Is it one S? One N or I N's? Two N's. GIA. Oh, there's no A. Jeez. What? How did I get? Oh, I auto corrected it. I misclicked it earlier.
Giannis has like 4 N's, like 6 S's, like 8 vowels.
Who is
man, Giannis
Gianna?
is a bad man. It's a bad man.
Gianna is my girlfriend. Fucking Gianna.
What?
It's fucking true. He just got engaged. Man, Giannis, I'm so happy he got a ring like that. Giannis probably has what, like top 3 best personalities in the NBA. Top 3. Yeah. Top 3 multicultural.
First ballot Hall of Fame now. Already.
Robin?
He's a first ballot Hall of Famer now.
Yeah, bro.
Gary, what happened?
My name's Giannis. I shaved. Can't you see?
Yeah.
That playoff beer is gone, eh?
My name is Giannis.
Gonna be doing State Farm commercials next.
Hell no. I don't associate with that fraud.
Marcos from State Farm. What are you wearing, Marcos?
Khakis.
Yo, Pijak, yeah, I got you. I seen you sent me that email. I got you. Yeah, I got you. I don't want a Discord link that I sent in that thing doesn't work. But I'll add you like in a bit here. I think I'm looking for potential positions here. That's why. Give me like 30 minutes or something. Chat, so we're closing below the range here. 1 hour closing below the range. 1 hour has this range to go down that we can probably take advantage of an extra 13 pip range and then potentially even like a 30 pip range, or sorry, a 50 pip range based off the 30-minute time from here coming down. We just need a topic to be formed here. Once you get a topic and reflip to re-break this low, you can look for cells coming down to fill that range and potentially a runner position for 50 pips. But you need a topic here.
No.
Yeah.
Why you do this? No.
Oh, here it goes.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Why you do
It's
this?
gone.
Why you do this?
Why you do this?
Give me my number back.
That's punching the air right now.
Yo, Pijak, join the Discord server and then text the community channel. Just at me. I'll give you the row for it. You determine your bias for the day from just daily and weekly candles. Yes. Yep. Oh yeah, how to find your bias. Wow, we have a video for everything.
This is a share, and
whoa.
God.
Oh, I don't know. What's up, DVS? What up, DVS? DVS, what's up? Now, why did you ask you gold sells and break the lows? We know why. There's no topic on this current 15-minute candle here, right? There's no sells here. 15 minute has no top wick. We expect it to create a top wick before pushing down, which is why it is creating where right now. There are no sells here. Now they have a top wick. Once you come down to re-break the lows now, because we have a top wick being formed, we could look for sells. However, if price were to come up with a steeper top wick and it were to flip, we can enter on the flip of the candle instead of the break of the lows, anticipating that price is to create a top wick and it should continue down. But if it's a low nib or a small wick, then we have to wait for the break of the lows to look for positions after a top wick is formed.
GJ came down like 18 pips.
Yeah, it goes back into the range there.
I was bearish on GJ for the day just because the daily, in my opinion, closed like doji.
Yeah.
If a daily candle is like normally, let's just say like 80 pips, and that daily candle is like 4 pips, wouldn't you consider it a doji? Just because like the ratio is the percentage of the body is like the size of a smaller like 15-minute candle that's maybe like normally 15-20 pips. That's like a pip.
I just consider, I don't really look at kind of like the pip. I just consider doji like if it were to close like this, because this is a doji to me, something like this. This is more of like a decent, like not, I want to say decent, but a stronger bullish closure than a doji for me. So I don't really consider it as a doji.
So what makes it a
like doji is usually like when like price like really just opens up and closes exactly where like this probably. This day candle is a bit bigger than that in this situation. But I mean, you can still consider a doji, I guess. But after creating a bottom wick and flipping and re-breaking the highs, I pushed more towards the bullish side with the fact that I was bullish. But again, wait, did you have sells?
I did not. Simon and I were talking about it in the chat. He caught sells. Congrats, Simon. W.
Yeah. That 4-hour candle could still potentially flip here though. Let's see.
Part of the reason that held me out from the sells was the 4-hour.
Yeah.
Above that range.
4 hours clean. Clean.
If you entered those sells on the break of the lows, you'd be in like 15 pips drawdown right now. I know people are asking
no
why. Actually, you would have hit stop loss for whoever was saying like, why didn't you enter on the break of the low? And that's why, because there was no top wick. Now it's making the top wick for the 1 hour.
Yep. Same thing we do every day. Same thing we do every single day. Wait for the same setups, wait for the same entries, no impulse entries, no emotional entries, no guessing, no predicting. Follow one plan each and every single day. Block out all the noise. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Andre, are you looking for gold cells or just 1 hour is kind of bothering you?
Yeah. I'm looking for gold cells here. The 1 hour is bothering me, but by the time when we get there, I'll be break even.
Yeah, same thing I have.
If I got it on the flip, be like 12 pips. To get in on the flip here, I mean, this retest was kind of like perfect. 180298 at that level. Come down to flip.
I want to enter the break of the lows at the re-break of the lows. That's probably what I'm gonna wait for. If you push up a bit higher, maybe like up here or something, then I would enter the flip. But I'll say I'll just enter on the break of the lows in this situation here.
In that case, I think your hourly support will be a little bit closer. Will that bother you or no?
Not really, since like 30 minutes clean this range should come pushing price down here. Not as worried, no, about 30 minute support. Can you re-break the lows here? Did you get in yet on that flip?
Nope. Yeah, I got in.
Nice. You're gonna use current candle or previous candle, Don?
Looking to use the current candle as my stops because it's new hourly, right? The price shouldn't break that high if it wants to drive in this situation.
Was it like 20 pips?
Yes. Yeah, it's around 20 pips here for stops, which is perfect. That's the ideal stop. Can you re-break the lows here, chat? Looking to enter sells as you reflip here, as we create a top wick. Looking to manage risk, or looking to have a 20 pip stop loss for a TP of 50 pips. Nice. Sorry, Jack. Give me a second. Are you in positions, Marcos? Yeah.
Yeah, I entered on the flip. I'm just trying to close half at 10, but I haven't gotten 10 yet.
I've gotten about 6.
Nice.
Yeah, I got like 7 or I actually got 8, but I didn't click.
I don't think I got activated yet.
You break even, Marcos?
No.
Oh, what happened? There we go. Yeah, I don't think I got activated yet, chat. I placed the sell stop a little, like right below that first now low.
Looks like it wants to break even here for people who entered on the flip. Yeah, I broke even. You break even, Wixine?
No, I didn't put my stop. I'm half a position,
Wait.
so I didn't put my stops to even. I'm just
Isn't that
letting it rock.
9 pips there? For you guys who entered on the
I
flip?
only got 8 with spreads.
You
But it was
break
for
even
like a
though.
split. It was for like a split second. I would have clicked it, but it was for like a split second. I had 8. So it's a break even trade for me.
Sell stops. Coming down. Red tags. Perfect. So sell stops are still here, chat. I didn't get activated yet. Came very close. I think the pricing on my traders manual was a bit off, so obviously it wasn't like here exactly.
Your stop be above this candle or the previous candle?
Below this candle. Yeah, this candle. I think it came down to its previous low, but it didn't really make a new low on this current new 30 candle. So I think it already get activated. Mine's very often IC. Yeah, your brokers will be off. Yeah, your brokers will be off.
I mean your stop loss.
Stop loss.
Oh, sorry. My stop loss is the current candle. Yeah, it's gonna be the current candle.
I got you.
It's gonna be a 20 pip stop loss for a TP of 50 pips. Oh, can we re-break the lows here? Price is reflipping here. Andre, what's your plan?
You see me thinking?
Yeah, I
I'm
see
gonna
you
use this,
thinking.
I'm gonna wait for this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close actually in 5 minutes here.
I had a feeling.
To anyone in chat that's following my lead, you may miss the move if you wait for this 15 to close. But I just feel a little more confident with this 15 close and then the sell stops at this point.
Yeah, close below there, I guess. Yeah. I guess if it closes below like 1800.72, that'll be strong too. The 15 closes below there. Things like you can still get positions, and even if it were to drive down a bit more, also be 30 pips for like a TP of 40 pips. Gold here, GG here is really not doing much here. Came down after analysis at the opening, like price again. Yeah, in gold here right now. About to be in gold here. Expect a quick push too once you break the lows, chat. So I'm looking to move my stops to break even and want to get around the 7-8 pip marks. This is when I look to move my stops to break even, making it risk free, and then gonna let the runner go obviously down here. Same trade, same like situation as we were in yesterday. Same play I want to say too. Very similar, closer below the range for price to drop down. That's basically it. But I didn't go sells. We have sell stops here. Do you see how it says sell stops here? We have sell stops right here being placed. Didn't get activated yet. We're not in a position yet. Yeah, it's like 20 times.
Are you trading right now?
You trading right now?
You trading?
What are you trading? Sir?
Sir? Are you in position, sir? No, yeah, we're bound to be in a position. Very close. Do you know about IM Academy? No, I don't have social media. 1800.003 here is my self stop. I'm in an overtrade for the week already. Got 50 plus pips on Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, Monday and Tuesday so far has been lovely. We're off of, I think Monday we got a win. I think it was 30 pips, 40 pips. Tuesday we got a 10 pip win around 50 pips as well. Lovely, like lovely past 2 days recently. Our winning streak continues this month of an 8-0 streak. What's your reasoning for having less lots on gold and bigger lots on GJ? So like overall, I'm risking 1 to 2% per trade. I'll say more than 1% per trade. So the reason why I stick to a fixed lot size, right? So the reason why I have a half for gold is just because gold's ranges are usually like twice as big as GJ. For instance, the average stop loss for gold is gonna be, for me with this style of trading, the average is gonna be around a 20 pip stop loss, an average 20-30 pip stop loss, whereas GJ stop losses are usually around 10 to 20 pips. So therefore I will look to reduce my lot sizes as GJ or gold has twice the bigger range. So that's the reason why I do it. Since I'm sticking to a fixed lot size, I'm not really like you know, percentage lot size.
I'm gonna stay out on gold, man. This 1 hour support here is bothering me. Now I'm looking at it. No bueno. I don't like it.
Yeah. I still got stops there. And I'll say you can look to manage risk if this 15 were to close here, but I'll say as long as the 15 closes, even if I go to close the bullish, it's fine. But as long as it respects this area and it doesn't close above there on the 15, we should be goody because they're still respecting that resistance. However, if we're close bullish above that range, then I'll look to close half. All right. Or you can close half with the bullish channel closure, but it's up to you at the end of the day on how you manage risk. Everyone's kind of different. I'm just kind of throwing out scenarios out there that you can probably follow along with and probably look to use to your advantage. This 15 closes in a minute here. 30 seconds here. How are we gonna close? I'm gonna put this here because people are confused. Not activated yet. Are we frozen? No, we're not frozen. How come use a fixed lot size instead of a percentage one? Because I already risk like less than a percentage per trade. So I just rather use a fixed lot size. I don't want to calculate. I don't want to have these odd numbers in my lot size. It's nothing like, you know, that you guys gotta follow or anything. It's more of a personal preference type of thing. Something that I came up with. Like I came up with this whole thing of using a half lot size on GJ or on gold and normal lot size on GJ. You know, it's just things that I've came across over the years, but it's what's been working for me, right? Yeah, I don't know. I can't really give an answer to exactly why I do it. It's just I love the way it looks. Instead of having like 0.45 as a lot size or 4.25, you know, whatever it is. Ooh, 50-minute close bullish here. Ooh, we have a 50-minute start play now, which is our self stop, pretty much. Our 50-minute start play with a 30-minute candle closing below the range, reflipping as it closed below. Yeah, it's clean. Looks very clean. Yeah. Isn't there a price difference from TradingView and MetaTrader? How do you set your price correctly on MetaTrader for buys and sell stops? So when I set my buys and sell stops, I don't set off of price. I set off of like what it actually shows on the charts. So like I'm looking at her sell here to the fact that we're breaking the lows, right? I'll then put on my MT5 the rubric of the lows, not the exact price, because they're different prices with different brokers. Does that make sense? That makes sense, right? 15-minute start play. Are you still using current for 30-minute stops? Yeah, just because that's a current new 1 hour count stops. So. Ooh, 15-minute start play. Could get activated here in a bit.
It's gonna be your stops to break even.
Pardon?
What is gonna be your stops to break even?
Probably around the 7-8 pip mark. I want to say around like here. This range. Let's see. See on 5 minute if we have anything right there. Yeah, I'll say around here or something, like around the 7-8 pip mark, 6-7-8 pip mark. In this case. Ooh, 5 minute start play too. Let's see, chat. Stops are gonna be the current 30-minute highs. You can use the 15-minute highs if you want to. I'm gonna use the 30-minute highs in this situation here because that's also the 1 hour current kind of high as well. For a 20 pip stop. So. $15 on GG close bullish.
My bad, bro.
Sorry, go on.
I was just curious what Wix9's doing in this position.
I'm at 6 pips in profit right now, and I'm gonna go break even as soon as we pass this previous wick.
You got your current stops at the current 1 hour high, same as Don.
Yeah.
Nice.
Just needs to break this damn wick.
Yeah. Look, honestly, it looks like he's going to. You guys should be good.
If it reflips here, chat. If it reflips here, and re-breaks the 15-minute highs, I'm gonna delete the sell stops. And then wait for the 30-minute candle to close and see how we close. But it has to be now or never. To trade on MT5, yeah, MT5, MT4, MT5, MT5, MT5. I used to trade on MT4, but MT5 is definitely the wave. It's definitely has all your new updates, all your new features that you could have on that trading platform. There's no point of using the old platform when both are offered for free, right? You might as well get used to it. Oof. Oof. Came very close again.
Oof.
Wow. Oh my god, didn't even activate. 1800.85. on my thing, Trismate, it's my regular lows is 1800.85. So it's obviously a bit different from this. Did not activate again. Oh, there. Can we activate now? Oh, pushing down. Yeah, if you have to enter on the flip of that candle there, on the flip of the 30-minute candle, you can look to move your stops to break even here. I mean, Wixon, you got your 9 pips right now, right? In the flip, 8-9 pips, I'll say.
No, I have 6 pips.
6. Always a little low, below that flip, right? I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spreads too.
Yep. If you reflip it, I'm gonna delete the sell stop strat, because then I'll wait for the 30-minute candle to close in about 8 minutes here. And GJ buys took the 15-minute onion. Nice. 15-minute onion. Nice. I guess you have support drawn right here at the support. Yeah, I have my support drawn right here off the fact that the 1 hour time frame and 30-minute time we're respecting that area. But if we were to close in 8 minutes or back into the range, I believe this is a fake out. I will be looking for buy positions on GJ here if gold doesn't, push here. in this situation going up. This is a fake out buy here on a 30-minute time frame on GJ with a bullish day. So, or would then be flipping, which is what, you know, that was keeping me out of the sells in the first place. Also, it was a range 1 breakout. So this is a perfect example of a range 1 breakout here, chat. Perfect example of how I get not caught in fake outs. I think even if you did get in though, I think this thing came down anyways for 10 pips, so you would have been breaking if anything. But the best feeling for me is when I move stops to break even. Yeah. The best feeling for me is when I say, all right, guys, move stops to break even here, making this a risk-free trade. Wixline hears that every day when he sleeps, right?
Yes, sir.
Or is it the other one? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new Asian session analysis. Wow. If you reflip here, chat, I'm going to delete my sell stops. Now, why didn't you take GJ sells? I just explained why I didn't take GJ sells. I literally just explained it a minute ago. It was because my bias is bullish today. There's no sells for me today, and this is also a range 1 breakout, something that I wouldn't take anymore, at least this year. So if you get 30-minute candle closure back inside a range, that would be considered a fake out, which is what we were trying to avoid for bias going up to fill this range and then continue up towards 150, 446, 550. But let's see. Andre, how about this situation now? 15 closes below this support. You have this range here going down. Let's say we close like this. You have this wick fill coming down. If you close below, you have a range of 7-8 pips before we hit that 1 hour support that you were worried about, and then you can let it run risk free. If the 15 were to close below this bullish candle, obviously, because that 15 now is support.
Yeah, I think that would be the 30-minute closing bearish. The 1 hour, yeah, I guess that would make sense. To be honest, I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable. If you look left on the hourly,
yeah,
like I feel like that's a really strong support. Like I'm looking left and I can see like 10 different touches. I don't know. You and I were talking about that, like identifying a really strong support. And if I'm just looking left, I see like a bunch of supports being made there. So I think I'm just gonna wait for this hourly to close in 30 minutes. And like I said before, if this push does happen, like that 15 closes below, that makes sense. And I think it would play out, but I don't think I would have like any FOMO on seeing that play out and not being a part of it just because of that hourly support.
Yeah. I'm also going to delete my stats as well due to the fact that I said earlier, this 30-minute kind of reflip bullish. You know, if it wanted to drop down, would have drove down after we broke those lows there, or when we're bound to re-break the lows. So now that we are flipping bullish, there's no sells for me in the situation yet. You might get well, it really depends. We have 4 minutes here. There's a lot of time left, but as of right now, there's no sells for me. I think this 30-minute candle needs to close strongly bullish, or either 15 closes below the support for sells to work out and play on this situation here. So no sells for me here. Looking for GJ, however, looking for GJ positions here very soon if we were to break back into the range, as that is a fake out on GJ going up to fill this range. Yeah, about 11 pip range.
As soon as we flip back up.
Pardon?
I closed my sells as soon as we flip bullish.
Basically, I break even, no?
Yeah, very small loss.
Nice. Good way to manage risk there.
Yeah, I mean, like any win will probably like triple this loss.
Tiger out
Plus
that
it's
break
still
even.
early.
Nice.
It's early. It's 7:25.
What were stops in that case? Like 20 pips?
No, when I entered, my stops were like 12 pips.
9. Mine were like 9 or 10.
Nice.
Yeah,
Did you go
but
full risk there?
I went half risk, and
Half risk.
my entry was about 2 pips worse than Marco's. It just doesn't make sense now. I tried a few times to break that low, and it actually broke it, I think, on my MT5. And then just flipped back up. It could still drive down. It's just not my trade anymore.
Yeah.
I feel like I saw like 10 people in chat said they moved stops to break even. So shout out to you guys. That's
Job.
yeah, good risk management for sure.
Yeah, a lot of people took that trading a flip there. I was contemplating the flip as well. It's still have the rubric of lows, but I mean it's fine. We're both in the same situation now. A lot of you guys would got break even on the flip, and I just deleted the stall stuff. So basically, I just saved the bullet. But I'm surprised he doesn't get 10 there, right? Because I think he very like
9 pips it moved.
yeah.
I had a bit of
8
a
with
late
spreads.
entry, so yeah, I got like 6.5, 7.
GJ fake out here back into the range. How you guys feel about that? However, though, that looks a lot cleaner in this situation. The 4-hour candle flipping here, reflipping here. That stop loss as well that you're going to potentially have on 30-minute time frame. It will also be at the 4-hour low of this new 4-hour candle. So 24 pip stops for a 53 pip TP, basically. But we gotta close above 149.391 here, or 931 here, above that range.
I'd rather take GJ.
Yeah.
I think that that makes a lot of sense. The only thing that I see is that 1 hour still has 30 minutes, and the 1 hour is bearish. And if like I had support at 149.92, so that 1 hour closed like below that support, back in the range.
Wait, we're gonna see something else?
No,
Oh.
just that the 1 hour is bearish, and it closed back into the range.
Yep.
Looks like the 4 hours bullish though, and it's flipping after making a bottom wick and rejecting and respecting lows.
Yeah, that's like the only reason why here I'm not really like looking at the 1 hour, because the 4 hour candle is like it closed above the previous 4 hour candle, closed above, and therefore it should continue up. Obviously this candle didn't break the lows. This candle created a low just now. It's reflipping here with a 30-minute candle closing back into the range. Let's see if we close above though. About 37 minutes left, or 37 seconds left. However, the 1 hour candle, if it were to close like this, the next 1 hour candle above that range, it will also be a 1 hour onion play, which is also 1 hour fake out as well, which would be a much stronger time frame for price to drive up. But I don't think we're gonna close above here. We have 15 seconds left. Let's say price wants to respect that resistance there. There's no buys if you don't close above.
Sell the replay back into the range.
Going down, you're saying?
Yeah. I mean, I'd never take it, but I've seen
Yeah.
I'm actually
plenty of
bearish for
times.
the day. I feel like this is like a rare instance where we have
2 different
opposite
buys.
biases.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
just don't want to trade this range it's in, that it's going into. You said you're bearish for the day or for the week?
For the day. I mean, I was for the week as well because we were bearish, but
Yeah.
that candle, the daily candle on GJ for me was doji, just because I try to make sense of like what makes a doji candle, and if we like try and say that it opens and closes in the same spot, then to me a daily candle moving 4 pips, that's like pretty much opening and closing in the same spot. If a normal daily candle moves like 80 to 120 pips.
Makes sense. Then it comes back to like right around where it started out at.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. London call was vibey, was it? Did you guys catch anything?
I feel like on GJ, this is the bottom wick being created for a price to go up on the weekly.
Nightbot down bad. I think Nightbot is down bad right now. Where are commands at? You can only boot people. You can't really. Commands aren't working right now. London gold. I see. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour candle close here. on GJ here. We have about 30 minutes left for closure. If we were to close back above 149.931, we can look for bias going up. But until then, there's no positions. And I believe third main candle on gold closed bullish as well. So closed bullish. The thing about this kind of closing bullish, yes, it did close bullish. So the probability of it going up is high. But since it closed below this resistance, though, it's still respecting it. At any given point, we can still drive down. The thing about this is that even if we're to pop up and break the highs, like pressing clearly go to wherever it wants to go, and still close below this resistance, bearish. Right, so just be careful looking for sells there. I think the better sells would be waiting for this 1 hour candle to close, and then with the 1 hour closing like this, right at that support, you can look for a 1 hour starter play coming down once we re-break this lows, coming down towards 17.95 here, as the 4 hour, daily, and the weekly are all bearish in this situation on gold. But it's looking like more of an ADM play in 27 minutes here. Yo, yeah, Carlos called you out. Wix9, not Carlos Serrano. It's like this dude said, I feel like this is a bottom wick on gold on a weekly. Don't feel, bro. See. He got a point. He does have a point. He does have a point.
But it's not like I feel for no reason. Like, we opened up with no top wick, 85% of candles have top wicks, right? So we're gonna come back and make that top wick for the weekly. It's Wednesday, middle of the week. We got this bottom wick made. Plus, you can see that this would be a range 2 breakout to go bullish. So I don't mind.
Wait, you talking about gold?
Oh, talking about GJ.
Oh, so GJ.
Yeah. So if you were bearish like Premier is for the week, and you're looking at price now, let me annotate. So for me, this would be range 1 right here, because this is where price was. Then this we had range 2 because we were bearish, and now we're,
man, this whole like range thing is so crazy.
And I don't mind trading this range right here, because if we were bearish here, I think right here this is range 2 breakout to go bullish.
Like this whole range 1, range 2 thing has saved us a shit ton this year on trade position that we would have taken last year. A lot. I would have got stopped out probably a lot more. I would this year if I would have had the same exact trading plan I had last year, with the impulse entry and the buys above here and sells below here type of day. It just,
so I don't just feel like it. I see a lot of support for what I'm saying.
I think he was just trolling you.
Sorry. I will
it's all good
survive.
though. It's all good. JJ, what's up, man? What the fuck? What's up, man? Good morning. I hope you have a great day today. Wookie does have a topic though. Yeah, wait. Hold on. I'm so confused about what you're talking about. So like, GJ Weekly has no topic, or I'm confused. I don't know what you're referring to. Chat. Good morning from Ibiza. What's up, man? How you doing? Good night from Indonesia. Ooh, it's nighttime there. Speaking, I need to check where my glasses are.
Took a bill in Ibiza. What?
Oh, my Celine glass. Yo, let's go, Andre. Let's go. My Celine glasses are in Toronto. It's gonna come today or tomorrow.
Wow, gold rejected there and just heading straight down.
Yep. That's what we're talking about too. Third main count thing close above, respected it. It can break the highs, but still come down. I think it's like I deleted my sells chat, so like there's no sells for me here in this situation.
30-minute seller play. It's happening now.
Yeah, we have a 30-minute story play happening right now though as we speak, and there it goes. There's that. I would have been activated here. I still had it open. I deleted it. Waiting for this 1 hour candle to close here.
Still gonna drive down. It's got it. Oh.
Wow.
Gold. On the hourly, this support is really fishy.
I agree.
Look at that big. Last time we came down here on the hourly, that big rejection wick. But I figured it would fill it right here on the celery play. There's a lot of room.
What's good from Melbourne, Australia? How you doing? I just got my glass from Australia actually. That was actually pretty quick shipping. Only took a week and a half or 2 weeks maybe. Pretty crazy. They usually take like a month plus to ship from Australia.
That's crazy how they just got kangaroos roaming the streets and shit.
Why not take a 30-minute starter play? I kind of wanted to take a 1 hour starter play instead because I wanted to kind of close bullish in the hourly time frame, and then I want to see if we were going to respect this resistance or if we were going to close below this resistance. And then if it's 1 hour closer, I look for a starter play and a 1 hour coming down later on. But as of right now, I'm going to wait for that 1 hour candle close. GG here has no top wick here on his 30-minute candle here. Looks like it wants to drive up and flip, obviously, but we did close below that resistance, so it might be a bit struggle to actually push up towards 150.080 here. Might be a bit of a struggle. Probably have to wait for this 1 hour candle close. Yeah, that 1 hour candle closure, if it closes like this, will be a perfect closure here. Perfect closure. Price to drop up. The 8 in volume here. I think the reason why today I was like a bit locked into gold a bit more than it was on GJ was because it is a yen holiday, yen bank holiday. But regardless, like yen's closed either way right now. We're just moving by the pound.
Yeah, it'd be a big difference if the pound was closed versus if the yen is closed.
Yeah, pound's closed, we wouldn't be trading GJ right now. Yeah.
I'd be sleeping in.
Yeah. Andre, take over real quick, Andre. I'm gonna get some water. I'm dying of thirst. Thank you.
You leave me with GJ 1 hour.
What do you want to see? What you want to see?
GJ 1 hour is fine.
That's fine. That's good.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, cool.
That's cool. GJ 1 hour. I don't know. I'm thinking that in the next 20 minutes, GJ 1 hour closes above 149.92. Buys back to fill the range. You get that first target at like 150.084, and then potential runners up to like 150.452. Marcos has touched on that 4R closing above, flipping. It's crazy. We all got different biases today, but like that's very, very rare for that to happen. Franco, XRP was popping.
They're talking about my tea bag.
Oh,
Professional tea bagger.
Yes, you are.
Drinking that leaf water. Good for the gut, you know.
Okay,
Worry about
some
my
gut health.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty old. Little gut health action.
Got a leaky gut.
Yeah, the leaky gut. Trying to solidify my gut a little bit. You know, six
Solidify
pack.
my gut.
I don't know what you're taking, but up the dosage.
It's just pure indica. It's just pure indica soaking in water.
He's gonna be snoring right now on stream with eyes
Marcus,
open.
how long you in New York for?
Until Friday.
You wanna hang
I
out?
knew it looked like a hotel room.
Nope. What'd you say?
I said I knew it looked like a hotel room.
Nah, this is my girlfriend's apartment.
Oh.
That's why you don't want to hang out? You don't want to make her jealous?
Are you gonna kiss me?
All right, so GJ's
What I come back to?
Sus.
Talking about some tea.
Tea?
he's really good at teabagging.
Teabagging.
Yuck.
Speaking about teabag, prison break. Watch that. Just watch that. Prison break. There's a character in there named Teabag. That was a great show.
Oh, you ruined my picture.
Oh, sorry. GJ, I got you.
It's alright. I cleared it. Oh, good.
How did I make profit from my MT4 CPY copy trader? How do you make profit? You probably gonna have to connect it to a profitable account. You can't make profit, right? A copy trader. I don't know how to answer that question. Is that the question? Is that the question you were asking? I'm a bit confused on that. I'm a bit confused. Not gonna lie to you. GJ is waiting for NY open volume. Yes, sir. We have about 17 minutes left. It's a lot of time, so just relax, chat. Just relax, vibe out, and you know, chill out here. Did this 30-minute count come up to re-break the highs? No, right? On gold? I think I did. I think we're still respecting that resistance.
It's funny. It broke the daily lows for 1 second and then rejected like 30 pips. I think you got that new support now on gold, 1801.98.
Yeah, that new support. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Uh-oh, 30-minute start place still active for people who got in. It's supposed to reflip and get back to your break-even points here.
Yeah, it did break the 30 highs.
This is Anja's entry right here. Re-break of the lows. I think he would ideally like in some situations.
Yes, if the 1 hour support wasn't there bothering me, I would be all over this.
Here's my perspective on that 1 hour support today. Like the reason why like I was looking for like positions earlier. So like, do you know, like for example, like yesterday or a day before, when at one point price is pushing down bearish and it tapped like a daily level support like right here and right here. It's a higher time frame, right? Like so like technically you need to see how that higher time frame were closed below or respecting that support. Like we don't really know until we close. Obviously the 1 hour candle still open. You had about 4 or 5 minutes left at the time when we were looking to get activated in the trade. So like since the smaller time frame showing us signs that we're breaking back into the range and prices like closing below that support below 1802, I wasn't quite barred due to the fact that again the 1 hour didn't really close yet, and the small time frame showed signs of ranges to continue down towards 1796. Like that was my perspective on like that 4 hour on that daily using that daily support situation.
That makes a lot of sense. I like that. Can you go to the hourly for just a quick second and then like look a little left?
Yeah, I got you on this. Like I actually yeah.
Like especially like right here, there's just like look at all these touches, like boom, 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 boom. There's a ton. But that honestly what you just said makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. Some of you guys were I think I got a lot of questions earlier asking me like, Don, aren't you worried about that 1 hour support there? Well, now that we have probably like rejected 15-minute close bullish, yeah, now I'd be pretty worried about it. I probably wouldn't look to enter this and wait for that 1 hour close. But earlier on, when it kind of just opened up, created a topic, and then reflipped to re-break the lows, that was my original position there in that situation. But it's obviously different now than it was before.
I got a scenario for you.
GJ or gold?
Gold.
I love scenarios. What's up?
Sorry, my bad. If this current 30-minute maybe closes bullish, actually, right? It's got 15 minutes left, pushes up a little bit, and then we get a bearish confirmation around like 8:30. Will you take sells to come retest the lows? So this current 30 flips, pushes up bullish back in that range, and then we get a bearish confirmation in that range to come back down and test the lows. Would you look to take sells then in that range, or are you just going to wait for a breakout of this 1807 to 1801 range?
I think if price were to close bullish, it looks something like this, right? On 30-minute time frame, but then be respecting the support formed right around here. You can then draw support there. This range becomes very tiny here. This range is now like maybe 10 pips, maybe not even. And then if you get a closure bears or resistance, the chances of this range here is, since it's very small, isn't that high. I'll say I just might wait for a closure outside that range like that, and then tick sales come down once you close below that range. Not really the onion in this case here. But just because like it'll be a very small range if that were close bullish there.
Makes sense.
Yeah, those are some clean candles there. Wow. Whoa, when had not draw clean candles, right, chat?
Oh my god.
Candle drawing king. Or gold might just close below that range that you were worried about, or a lot of people worry about this 1 hour support. Remember, he's close below, and next 1 hour pushes down cleanly. We won't have to worry about that. But let's see, we got a push here. This is like the 5th time we're breaking these lows here. Man. Reminds me of Thursday.
Is Tyler here?
Yeah, Tyler, sir.
Where? I don't see him in Zoom.
I mean, his PC might have crashed. Yeah, PC probably crashed.
Tyler, the moderator.
Tyler, I need you. I got a good command.
Oh, yo, someone.
He said he's only on YouTube right now.
This me, Chief. I got you. Rose. Is this you? Hey, Pope Salmon. Send me a message on. Okay, I got you. I'll read a message in this tab.
Pope Salmon.
I got you. I got you. There you go. I give you the row, Pope. Popes. Sorry about that. I got carried away earlier with gold. Unfortunately. To the downside. Wow, we had a lot of saves. We had 17 saves in that video yesterday. Do you guys enjoy these clips here that I post on Instagram after? What do you guys enjoy more? These clips here or the weekly recaps on YouTube? The weekly recaps on YouTube have been picking up lately. A lot of people have been enjoying them. Okay, but what's this music?
Look at the gold 15-minute done.
Yes.
Kind of got like a closure below that mini little 15-minute range.
Yeah.
Now it's driving down.
Oh, it did close
Could
on that 15.
entry.
It did close. Like slightly below it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you in positions?
No, but I'm saying it was a decent entry for sure. It was like a 10 pip stop loss.
Down, do you take trades on the last 15 minutes of the hourly? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It really depends on how the different time frames are looking at the moment, how the hourly looks, how the 30-minute looks, etc. So it really depends on that. But I'll say for majority, I usually do stay out the last 15 of the hourly candle. Yeah, I usually do stay out. What do you think about GJ above that minor resistance? Do you bottom week and break the highs of the previous 1 hour? I'm so confused. What do you think GJ close above that minor resistance? Do a bottom week and break the high of the previous candle 15? Huh? I'm so confused. GJ closed above. GJ closed right at that resistance. We didn't close above. 50-man time frame did not close above as well. We closed right at that resistance, respecting it. Therefore, we're still rejecting it. There's no bias. I'm confused a little bit. Can you maybe refine that question? Yeah, it's like I think I love you guys like the weekly recaps a lot more. Wow. Why do you say stay at the last 15 of the hourly here? Well, on average here, majority of times what you would see is you would see a candle like this. So this is a 1 hour candle. We're gonna do a quick little thing here, a quick little workshop with down here. So candle workshop 1.0. Basically, in this case, you have a 1 hour candle looks like this, right? You usually have like on average 4 15-minute candles, not on average, 4 15-minute candles on a 1 hour candle, because 4 15-minute candles equals 1 hour, if you guys haven't known. All right, so on a 15-minute time frame, it looks something like this on average. 1, 2, and then third candle pushes down like this. All right, so we push down, and then do you guys see how we have created a high here? You have created a low here now, and this wick here is being formed. There's only one way the wick could be formed, and that's if price were to close bullish at that support, right? And this is like isn't always gonna be 100%. Like this isn't always gonna happen. It's not really an entry type or like a setup type or anything like that. It's more so just understanding the meaning behind the candle. So basically, with this wick being formed now, this is the pullback of the candle, right? The pullback. So this is usually gonna be the last 15 of the hourly as well, because that is gonna be the fourth candle on that. For example, in this case, 1 hour candle and 15-minute time frame. So what you have now is, you have that pullback. So if you were to enter on the last 15 of the hourly here, the last 15 will highly likely pull back, and you wouldn't get the ideal entry, or at least probability wise, it'll be a lot lower than if you were to enter on the first 15 or the 3rd-minute candle of the new 1 hour candle. If that makes sense. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, then you can understand why a wick is getting filled. So in this case, now that you understand that that last 15 of the hourly candle usually creates that pullback for us, you can understand that a wick like this in this situation is a wick fill. How is it a wick fill, you may ask? Because a wick is a range, and this is how. So you see this wick here, right? This wick there on the 15-minute time frame, which is right here, is basically just support being created, and then resistance being created. That wick is now a range. All right, so when price comes down on the hourly time frame, going back to the hourly time frame to fill that wick like this, comes down to fill that wick, what's happening is price on the 15-minute time frame, all that's doing is just closing bearish at resistance to continue down to retest the lows. So on a small time frame, you'll see this instead, right? But when your price comes down to fill that wick, we're technically breaking out of that range, and therefore you can look for sells on the small time frame as well coming down if you didn't enter on a wick fill. So that is how a wick get filled, and that is the whole meaning behind this last 15 of the hourly. Capiche? Little quick workshop. That'll be $5, everyone. For a little less. I'm fucking sure. But yeah, that is that. Thank you so much, bro. No worries. So if you guys, didn't clip that, you can clip that and use that to your advantage in the future. But you see how like there's a reasoning behind like all that I do, right? There's always gonna be a reason. It's not just I'm not just saying these things just because I want to say these things or because I want to sound, gonna laugh if gold drops with the pips. Oh, don't say that. Gold pushes down here, fills the range and clean.
Just have a feeling.
Don't feel.
We don't go off feelings here. We don't trade off feelings, but we can still have them.
If it does, we're gonna enter on the impulse.
Yes, Marcos.
Full margin, 20 lot size, and don't take any profit until we hit the target.
Oh yeah.
TP or stop loss, and that's it. That's called risk to reward.
Because if you have a bigger risk to reward, you have a better probability of winning the trade, right? That's what they say.
Yeah.
You forgot, man. Rejection to the downside.
Drawdown.
Chat, we're just trolling, by the way. Please don't do that.
Please don't enter.
Yeah, please don't go for margin and not close and go off of RR like that.
All that and the 1 hour on gold still looks super clean. If you just ignore the smaller time frame, gold just like a nice clean 1 hour closure. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Uh-oh. We're getting lows for a 6th time.
We just broke the lows. Oh, here we go.
It's gonna reject again. I hope it rejects.
Yo, if the 1 hour can close below here, I actually kind of want us to come down below 1800 here. If we close below there, the next hourly, we don't have to worry, right?
That'll be clean. Yeah,
that'll be clean. Chabala. Ooh. I believe that 30-minute starter play survived. I don't think it never came down to break that low or break that high.
No, it did. It broke the high.
This 30-minute candle? No, because it came up and then it came down. No, like for a 30-minute starter play, when it opened up right here, and then ever since then, it never broke it. Right? Wow, push it down here.
Keep going a little more. Need like 3 more pips.
Are you guys in?
Bottom wick. No.
Oh, yeah. 3 more pips on the bottom wick. Maybe if it come down towards like 17.99 at their wick fill, coming up closes below 200. That'd be
Looks like
perfect.
it's just tapping.
Let's see. I'm gonna move my support here just to show you guys my visualization of what I want. Right there. Closure below there would be perfect. If you close here, however, it might be a bit chalked for the next hourly candle. I'll say it.
I'll say it. I don't think there was an entry here.
Oh.
I think 30-minute starter play. If you got in, you would have still been in at this point.
The 15-minute closure that I was telling you about was like the best entry.
And that'd be a risk-free trade by then on a 30-minute starter play. Because that thing came up so quick, didn't break the highs.
It's only, what, 9 pips? That just hit break even. 30-minute starter play.
Almost. Just hit.
Not bad. 25
got
pips
in.
for stops.
Choppy today.
Yep.
The fame got it in the 15-minute closure below. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. I was like, that's a clean. Looks clean. If I hadn't already entered,
That's nice,
I
right?
would have entered that 15-minute closure.
Yeah. It was the last 15 of the hourly. I don't think I even saw this, honestly. I was kind of waiting for the 1 hour candle to close. It was very locked in. Ooh, it might close there.
Pips.
We might close there. Can we close below 1800 per 120? Find out in the next episode of
Interesante. That's nice.
That was a good one.
GJ.
Yeah, gold doesn't close below, so we can get GJ buys.
Imagine we get both closures. That would suck.
Tag team.
I would hate to have 2 opportunities in one day.
It'd be terrible.
Look at the chat just attacking.
I want GJ more though, to be honest.
Me too.
You're here with us. Look at Chad just attacking.
No, man, that chat is one big army. One huge army.
They really are.
We actually built an army.
Oh, GJ flipped. Oh, GJ. Oh, yes. Oh.
Ah. GJ might close the no top. We're on a 30-minute candle there.
No, look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1
Oh
hour.
yeah, 1 hour's gonna close above. Yeah.
Oh, please.
One more pip.
Yes.
There it is. There's the closure on GJ.
No, don't go now.
And wait for the bottom wick.
Make a real bottom wick.
Yeah, gold close right at that support as well. GJ looks a lot cleaner in this situation
GJ's
here.
just gonna go 20 pips bullish and just
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, but the GJ 1 hour closed very nice.
Lovely, like perfect closure. This is where you could expect her chat. Price pushing up here towards 150. And then once you get close above it later, right? Yo, we have some dinosaurs here, chat. Dinosaur in the chat. Let's go.
I wanted the fake out buys. No, that's already 8 pips.
I know.
Yeah, there it is on the hourly on GJ.
Not even a bottom wick of like 4 pips. It was what? That was a pip.
Yeah, pip. Can't really do anything about that.
I'm gonna cry. All right, closure above.
It's fine because yeah, that original range that we wanted, like didn't even break yet, right? So, but chat, just be happy you avoided fake outs today, right? Understand range 1 and range 2 breakouts. So put, applause. Give yourself a tap on the back or your shoulder.
29 minutes. This shit's going like 50 pips without us.
29 minutes right closure.
The 15 minutes is so ugly too. Like if you look left on the 15, there's just tons of like weird celery plays coming back down. So like you kind of have to get a 30.
That's fine. 8:30. I'll wait for it.
At least we knew what was going on. I mean, we called the moves.
Yeah, worked on the fake out as well. Did he give us 10 pips? Did he give people 10 pips there on that?
Yeah,
opener?
11.
The
11?
closure came up, yeah, 10, 11.
Nice.
Sigh.
My spread was an 8 pips. Probably FX.
I mean, how big were stops there?
Sounds like I knew it. GJ buys all day.
That's
Yeah,
24 pip stop loss.
Good old Bobby FX.
Booted FX. Come on, chat mods. I'm playing.
The booted FX.
Too late.
Oh.
Carlo hit him.
I thought someone already did it earlier because it was like promo. We won't come here with speaking about people's names, right? Good or bad. This is not what we do in this community, right, chat? How big is the wick of the wick to put stop loss above or below the current candle? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, like how big should a wick be if you want to put your stops below the previous candle? Well, you gotta understand the reason why is we would put it below the previous candle in the first place. It doesn't necessarily mean like depend on how big it is. It more so depends on how time frames are looking and which stop loss is better to place it on, the 1 hour, 30-minute, or 15-minute time frame. I'll say the reason why we put our stops, for example, if I were to enter a buy here, I'll put my stop loss below the previous candle low because I understand that as long as price respects that low, we should be able to drive up. However, if we were to come down and break that low, then we'll likely drive down. So that's why I'll put my stop losses there, because breaking that low will be us breaking structure coming down in that situation. So it has nothing to do with how big the wick is or anything like that, though. If someone linked with the onion plate, yeah, do !onion. It should pop up. There it is. I love these commands. So useful.
See you guys in 27 minutes.
Gold's coming down here, man. Gold's coming down.
Come back. Yeah, gold shocked. There's no entries.
That 30-minute starter play from earlier would have, I guess, runner would have still ran here for a lot of people.
How big is that 1 hour top wick?
Wait, 25.
A pipette.
Oh, over here, yeah.
The top wick.
We didn't really close below as well. Did they close below for you, Marcos, or do you consider it close below? Because for me,
1 hour, no, I had mine where you had it.
Yeah.
At this point, probably gonna wait for the 4, and it depends.
Well, at least
GJ's clean, to be honest.
Yeah.
So just wait for GJ.
At least our biases are like both like, I guess, playing out right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Going for a bomb wick on GJ. Yeah. I mean, also because like if you were to get in, you can't really get in now. So where the next possible entry you can get in here is a closure above this range here. Price rate. If you were to get in, you would have gone on opening this candle, and you would have been break even here. Once you tap that resistance there for a 10 pips close half. But what you need now is you need a closure above 150.098 or 089. So yeah, although yeah, I hope we can get a bond wick too. If you had come down and get a bigger bond wick and then we close above, that'd be perfect for buys. Buys above here, this range going looking left here, chat, is around 36 to a 30 pip range going up, and it is very clean traffic indeed. This is Chow Bella territory.
This man said, "I'm way too quality to be here." Bro, you're here. You're sending him.
Oh, I think he was asking that. Am I
Respect.
Is right.
People are so funny.
Respect
Dude.
the hustle. It's the confidence right there.
Yeah.
This guy's a Hall of Fame trader.
Oh man. I'm in the Hall of Fame just like Giannis. Can't believe I put Gianna earlier. Who's Gianna? Gianna has a ring. I need to rewatch the celebration because I missed out on it.
Wasn't that good?
It was home court too. I think they're still in shock. That's why there's no, like, I can't believe Bucks won.
It was like he hugged his family, like,
and he cried.
Did some stuff, like, I don't know. It wasn't anything like iconic, like
Cleveland, this is for you,
or like Kobe jumping on. Like, he didn't do any of that.
Just put up 50. That's it.
Yeah, he just put up the most.
He was locked in yesterday, though. He was locked in.
probably the greatest finals performance ever. Like low key too. It's kind of funny. The craziest thing is like he doesn't shoot threes.
Yeah.
And he can't shoot free throws. This dude just 25 dunks on your head.
I still can't believe Milwaukee won.
Believe it.
What's happening? Do you wait for closure for buying GG? I'll probably want a 30-minute closure since the 15 has closed above before in the past and has failed to stay above. 30-minute closure above would be ideal here in this situation for buys. So you have about 22 minutes left. It's a lot of time, Marcos. A long time. I know a lot of people are biting their fingernails here, and you want impulse entries here. So
I'm on other parts of the internet at this point. Just don't even look. That's how you lose the FOMO. Just go on the internet, browse the interweb, just chill.
Do some other work, come back,
do some push-ups.
Or you can just face the discipline, just look at it, you know. I got no choice. I gotta watch it. Gotta talk to chat. Locked in. Can't hit FT, but I hit 17-19 yesterday. What? I'm confused. Free throws. I got you.
Yeah, he was shooting well yesterday. From the line.
Clutch. Caught 10 pips on GG earlier. I'm probably gonna take another entry when his 30-minute candle closes above. Yep. Let's see. Did I charge for stream?
It's Jordan FX, right?
Yeah, Jordan FX.
Just goes post charts all the time.
Respect.
That's why I check the charts for stream, because usually you all send charts throughout the stream too. In the morning and throughout the stream. Best charts. Stop loss is very big for GG buys. Yeah, like right here, like on average here, we're looking at around at 17 pip stop, which is not bad actually. I might go like half versus something, but like that hourly candle closing above the range, it was so crucial there. The last second too, so crucial. We just couldn't get an entry in because obviously when price closed, it barely gave us a bottom wick to even enter off of, right?
Would this runner be alive? Do we know?
If we close, yeah, it would have been. It didn't re-break the low. Would have been.
4 hours so clean, bro. 4 hours flipping now.
Yeah, 4 hour re-breaking the highs.
Man. This is like textbook.
Enter on the 4 hour Marcos.
Bro, how many,
Stops are like 4 pips.
Jesus. There we go.
Yeah, this is a textbook trade here in the hourly time frame. Textbook.
This is exactly what you drew up, just in the reverse. You know, the 4 hour made a bottom wick on the smaller time frames. It came down, created support, closed bullish, comes up to retest the highs. Once it closes above, that's the new 4 hour candle.
Yeah.
Guess my feelings were correct.
Feelings.
I'm glad we got it right though. Got it right. Called the moves. That's kind of how you say there's a difference between an entry and a setup. The setups were there on both, but the entries might not have been right.
I was gonna donate, but you put me on timeout. I didn't put you on timeout. I don't really put anyone on timeout or ban anyone. It's usually just my mods that take care of it for me. But you can gotta donate. No one has to donate here in the chat. You know, we're trading here, right?
Donate.
Send BTC.
All we want is a subscribe and a like on the stream. I haven't said today yet though. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far today, if you guys are gaining something from the streams, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. And you know, just on a roll to 10K subscribers. On a roll to 10K.
Of all proceeds go to the Marcos Moves Foundation. Please donate.
Marcos Moves Foundation. Revive that account. Donations here. Hey, now what do you think of the 1 hour bullish candle on GJ having the bottom wicks? I say if it closes above, if the 30-minute closes above this range, I wouldn't really worry about that bottom wick being created because it is a bottom wick being created. You're not obviously gonna get the nice like cleanness 4 or 5 pip bottom wicks here. In this situation, if we close above, I'll just enter a buy as we close above the range here for a 36 pip TP and an 18 pip stop. But you have about 18 minutes left. There's 15 minutes about close here in about 2 minutes. So let's see. The 15-minute entry here above that, if you close above 150, 123, I know the resistance is a bit higher on a 15-minute time. If you close above there, entering a position will also be the re-break of the 4 and 4 candle highs, daily candle highs as well. The 4 kind of
play
flipping
right there.
Say
That's the
again?
Marcos. That's the Marcos play right there. The re-break of the 4-hour high, the higher time frame re-break of the highs.
I know.
That's my boys. That's his
That's how I was
move.
thinking. I was thinking like, yo, are you gonna enter out the 15 if you close above that 15-minute resistance?
The thing about the 15 is it's so dirty looking left.
Yeah, it's not as clean as a 30 for sure.
I personally would want a 30, yeah, and then I would use the break of the
4 highs.
the
The highs to your
daily.
advantage.
It would also be the daily highs, so I'd be using the break of the daily highs as my entry. It's about a 3 pip difference, but it's a massive confirmation.
You guys stay locked in the GJ. I'm gonna stay locked in here to gold. Tag team both.
I'll give it
Make it
to
happen
be
like we did
honest.
yesterday.
That
I got
1
2
hour in
eyeballs.
gold was bothering me. Because now, I think it's different. I guess like this 1 hour candle is a bit different from the earlier one. Because now you're actually like, you actually tap the support already, right? Earlier one you had like a little range go down at least, but I didn't like the way it closed. I wish it just was a little below that support there on a 1
I got
hour.
a 15-minute support on gold. That's 1799.72. It's a decent 15-minute confirmation. If you're feeling frisky.
Frisky.
Ooh, okay. Interesante. Does Andre have a gold chain on right now? Trying to flex for the tube? Question mark.
I think me and Andre have been wearing our gold chains on stream from the whole year.
Okay, Carlos. Glad you have eyes.
Wait, is exclamation point eyes a thing or no?
I think so.
Or is it exclamation
We
point
need to make
think?
it one.
What is it? Think?
Is that your favorite one? What else do you have?
I want you to add I wanted you to, someone was saying it, what is it? The Wilder, to this day, you gotta add that.
Yeah,
one.
I'll stay. I gotta add it right now. Actually, I'll do it right now.
To this day.
This day,
Yeah, I'm gonna do it real quick.
this day, to this day, to this day, to this day,
I think I got it.
to this day,
Perfect, I got it.
to this day.
So aggressive, bro.
Oh shit.
To this day. Yeah, I'll say to this day, chat.
Yeah, it was Carlos. Carlos has been asking for it every day for a week straight, I swear.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I've been lazy bones.
Had the 15 here.
Oh yeah, 15. How did it close above that range? Nah, it closed right at
Nah.
that 15-minute resistance, eh?
See?
A Canadian A. That shit came out of me just there. Wow, I can't
Wow,
believe
that
it, chat.
That
the
was
Canadian,
down bad.
the
Canadian, eh?
the Canadian just came out of him right there. Now I'm not gonna lie.
Gosh.
Is Tyler on the Zoom? Oh, Tyler's not on the Zoom. Tyler, is your PC chalk right now? Are you using OBS? Yes, I am using OBS, Joel. Oh. Wow, 15-minute pushing up. Oh, gold pushing down.
Moving, yeah.
Gold's pushing down. 100. You get on that 15-minute candle?
Nah, there's no top
wig.
man. I was yeah, I was
There's no
ready.
top
I had my
wig.
finger on the trigger, and stops were
Oh,
fucking, like,
GJ.
10 pips.
No.
This is good. GJ's gonna come back and leave a wick.
Marcos,
Yeah,
you know it's
okay.
okay? It's okay because instead of 29 minutes we gotta wait for now, we only have 13 minutes we gotta wait for his 30-minute candle. So that's the bright side.
That's how time works. Good job. Yep.
Yep. That's the bright side to this, bro.
Time passed. Good
Yeah.
job. Yeah.
We you know we use that time to our advantage and we learn some stuff.
Dude, just explaining the concept of time. That's how you know we're down bad.
Down horrendous today, man.
Oh my god, gold.
Gold pushing down towards that support. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
25 pips on the closure of that 15, no top wick.
Yeah. 30 had a top wick.
Gold's being weird today.
Andre, I remember you asked me a question. I think it was like earlier this week. It was like Monday or something, I think. When you asked about the top wicks being created, like, do you think we'll ever get to a point where we'll be using the higher, since that 4 hours of top wick or the 1 hour of top wick, we wouldn't be bothered by the 30 and 15?
Yeah.
Are you planning to do something with that in the future?
Yeah, definitely. Especially, I think what's also crucial is the timing of the session. Like 8 a.m. open on a 15-minute. Like, I think taking an entry without a top wick in this situation, I would be more comfortable with. Obviously, at like, I don't know, 7 a.m., there doesn't look like there's a lot of volume. So it's like dependent upon the situation, but this would have been a situation, like looking back at it from hindsight, like the higher time frames have a top wick here, the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, everything has a top wick. This would have been an entry on the closure instead of waiting for the top whip to flip.
Ooh, it looks like prices will drop down this week to re-break the weekly lows. There's a support there.
It'd be lovely if we close like this on GJ on the 30 and you could use 15-minute stops as a gladiator candle that breaks.
Yeah, baby, the gladiator.
Wasn't bad. The 15. Because the 15, if you look at it.
Because on the 15, that zone would be a little higher.
Yeah. Who's washing dishes in the background?
It's me. I'm mute.
No, I was you? No, it's fine.
I'm washing dishes.
You got a maid.
Marcus, clean up your room. I'm tired of cleaning after you.
It's room service, aren't you? Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, yo, chat. First time having like teabag tea. It's just kind of fire. It's kind of fire.
You never had tea in a bag?
I can't say I've ever had bag tea before. More of a Arizona tea guy.
Oh my god. Like the Arizona like cans, like the dollar cans? 99 cents?
Yeah. With the cool like graphics on them, you can collect them as like art.
What you know about pure leaf tea?
I don't know anything about
Or
leaf tea.
Chick-fil-A sweet tea. The new ruler on TradingView is garbage? Wait a minute, did it change? That's the same. Did mine change? About the same, right?
No, it's the same. Yeah, but that tea is fucking diabetes in a little can.
The sugar? Imagine you drink a full can, because you know the cans are tall. The cans are tall, man. I used to drink them every day in like high school. Go to like this grocery store and then get like Arizona for $1 and just drink that, have a pack of donuts. For real. It was like a pack of donuts for $1 too. $2 and like a full meal right there. That was my lunch, breakfast, and dinner in high school.
Yeah.
I'm just punching the air right now.
Do that through your 20s and you're gonna feel really bad in your 30s.
Nah, it's okay. I'm fine.
I don't even drink sugary drinks anymore.
I don't even eat candy or anything like that no more. I only eat chips maybe at this point, but
drink water.
Yeah, I drink a lot more water now.
The only time I drink sugary drinks is like as chases. That's it.
Ooh, nice 30-minute wick fill here, eh?
You got 10 minutes.
Yeah. 10 minutes for this. It's 8 minutes actually. 2 minutes has passed.
Nice. Put a little timer on. We have candle timers on the screen.
There's a timer right here. Not a lot of people know that there's a timer right here on the right side of TradingView.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I refer to.
Yeah, but I got like a 7-inch screen.
What have you been referring to?
I look at the bottom right. It just
Oh
says
wow!
8:21.
I'll wait for this. 8 minutes left in for closure.
I feel like that's like a redundant little timer, but that's still dope.
Chat, you need a closure here, right? Price is still respecting it. So the impulse entry people, yeah, tough situation here.
Pepsi. I feel like ass and feet after Pepsi.
I hear voices in my head.
Oh, you didn't hear that? I don't think I shared my audio for thing. There you go. Just hear it now, Marcos.
I can hear you.
Did you hear that though?
Hear what?
Oh, I see. I don't know why you guys can't hear that part.
What was it?
It was I hear voices in my head theme song. The right
That'd be a good, I feel like that would have been a good one. Because you know how people in chat are like, oh, like, didn't you say this? You're like, no, I never said that.
RKO. Everyone chats like RKO.
Or when people are like, oh, did we enter? Like, wait, what? I hear voices in my head.
Oh, people be like, yo, it's here's my stop loss. I hear voices in my head.
Y'all know about that. If y'all don't know what that's from in the chat, you're uncultured.
Yeah. Yeah.
First person to say where it's from gets $5 from me.
WWE. I used to get the I used to watch WWE a lot when I was a kid. Like that's what I grew up watching. That was my favorite thing to watch. And I would go to like Walmart and stuff to get the belts, right? So I had the WWE belt, the one that spins. I used to just put that on me, go on my couch, and do like a front flip on my couch, like, on some pillows, and you know, pretend that I'm like Jeff Hardy.
This like last year.
I'm done, bro. I'm done, man. No, man. It was like when I was like maybe 9, 10, 8 or 9 years old.
That makes sense. I used to do some wild shit like that.
Yeah, I think everyone has. But this one time I did a front flip. My head hit the couch like, man, this part of the couch was wooden. Oh my god. My head was almost broke my head.
Who's your favorite wrestler growing up?
John Cena, Jeff Hardy, D-Generation X. So Triple H and Shawn Michael. Yeah. I was the OG.
Michael.
Yeah.
I was a Rey Mysterio fan.
Oh, he is cool. I used to have I think I had the mask at one point. Booyaka, 6'1". Yeah. Yo, there's one point I thought Rey Mysterio was 6'9". At one point, bro. Goldust. Oh man, Goldust is cool. I remember that guy. He was scary though. I didn't think he was scary. He scared me as a little kid. He used to turn off the lights, and then he pops up in the middle of nowhere. Like, how did he go from there to there so quick? This guy just ran there. No, but you know what's crazy? Like to
this day,
like people still people still like who are growing up now, they still watch it, and they still like watch, even though they know it's fake, they still, you know, they're still there watching the whole event go down, knowing that it's fake. I didn't know it was fake until I was like maybe 13 or something, 14. John Marcus, bro, was my... Andre, did you watch WWE growing up? Okay, good talk. We're closing about 3 minutes and 50 seconds here, chat. 3 minutes and 50 seconds here.
I'm down so bad.
He still doesn't hear us. I think this audio is jacked. Yeah, it's audio. He's trying to fix his audio. Look at him. Wow. 3 minutes and 20 seconds after closure here. How big are stop loss? How big is our stop loss here in this situation?
It's like 20 for 40.
21 pips for a nice 32 pips. It's not bad.
Don't put this. You have to have.
Oh, 30-minute closure above.
Yep.
Can I just create it? a really big bottom wick, like around 10-12 pips, so we could use that.
If the current stops, yeah.
Yeah, because I don't really want to use 20 pip stops at full risk.
I'm gonna cut my risk in half probably if it's a 20 pip stop here. Just
Yeah,
half
me
risk.
too.
Just because I'd rather use a 1 hour stop loss in this case because in 30-minute stop loss because it's also the 1 hour low as well. So all kind of matches and aligns. You can use a 15-minute stops. That ain't bad. But it's gonna be around your stop loss there is gonna be around like less than 10 pips, I believe. 8 pip stop loss. If you get a decent bottom wick, you can use a previous 15-minute stop loss or the current 15-minute stop loss instead.
The previous 15 would be around 10 pips.
Yeah,
And
damn,
technically,
top wick.
and if it breaks this previous 15, it's got clean range to drive down. So I think keeping it at previous 15 is good.
We must get a bottom wick on this new candle, however, though.
Yeah. Would you want a break of this high, or you want to flip with a bottom wick?
Oh, it depends. If it's a steep bottom wick, I'll enter on the flip of the candle. However, if it's a low bottom wick, 4 or 5 pips, whatever, I'll enter on a rebreak of the highs of the current candle highs. So same like situation as yesterday. Similar. Oh, this is looking lovely. Can you just get a top wick? That's all we need. It's a top wick now on this candle.
I was gonna say, it also depends on how big of a top.
Wow, look at gold. Came down and came back up. I'm respecting that support though.
Oh, I didn't even see. Oh.
Alright, peace out TikTok. Catch you guys later.
Right before the trade.
He doesn't even say goodbye slowly. It's just like, all right, ciao, peace.
Peace out TikTok. That's all. Yeah, that's all they get. An hour and a half of my time every day. The rest is on
They're still
YouTube.
sitting there over there with the wizard buttons.
No, they're sitting here with all MT5 open. Like, what? So like, are we ever gonna enter a position? Nah, I'm just playing. I love you guys, TikTok. For those that came in from the YouTube, I appreciate you guys for being here. Well, we almost have 4,500 people or 4,500 followers on TikTok. That's insane. Obviously not like Marco's here with 11K followers, but hey,
Okay.
we getting there. We getting there.
The TikTok king.
I've been slacking to be honest, but we're getting back to it.
Working hard.
I need a assistant.
Oh,
Applications in my DMs.
what happened to me? I remember when I asked for an assistant, you're like, just do it on your own. It's better if you just do it on your own. You don't need an assistant.
Bro,
Or at least you wanted to be the assistant. Oh
30
wow,
closed.
yeah, 30-minute close above the range of chat. So I am looking for bias here. We just need a decent bottom wick being created here first. Okay, so that's why I am waiting for here. If you get a decent wick enough, we can use the current count of stops. But right now it's looking like a 21 pip stop. And you re-break the high.
It ain't gonna do it for me. What about you, Don? That's
Yeah,
a decent bottom wick?
if you re-break the highs, I'll be current previous kind of highs. I'll be in a position. Same as yesterday, because this is it's a smaller bottom wick. I gotta wait for the re-break of the highs.
Makes sense. Oh.
Perfect. 500. Last is gonna be last in this case like around 22 pips. Alright chat, so I got a buy stop place right here on a re-break of those highs for a GJ buy here as the 30-minute candle closed above the range. Looking to take positions here coming up to fill the next range going up. So buy stops. And you can market execute as well. You don't have to put a buy stop. You can market execute in a break of the highs, but obviously with a market execution, you might miss your original entry that you would have wanted by pip or two due to price moving pretty quickly with volume. So Andre, we're making a new bottom wick here.
If this current bottom wick comes down to test like 150.80, then I'm gonna enter on the flip.
Oh yes, yes. Me too.
Same.
Yep. That's what I wanted. I think I have a thing, yo, Andre. Or go on.
What up?
Go on. I'll talk about it later.
You.
Now go.
No, you.
All right, fucking Canadian. All right. Yo, I think I have a thing now for determining whether to enter on the rubric of the highs or on the flip now. So if we get a decent bottom wick, for example, like let's say price were to come down here and give us like 7, 8 pips here, testing that support, we would enter on the flip. But if it's a smaller bottom wick like this, for example, I would enter on the rubric of the previous kind of highs instead. And that's what I've been doing this a lot this month. So probably what I'm gonna stick to when entering on determining if we're gonna enter on a rubric of the highs or the flip in that scenario. What are you gonna say, Marcos? What? Did you just fucking kiss the mic? I don't know, bro.
Oh my god, dude.
No, I didn't. You have proof?
Yeah.
Hey, no proof. That's what I thought. Okay, yes, sir.
Jesus.
Oh shit, dude.
Someone said, "What's your TikTok, Marcos Moves? How many followers you got on P-Hub?" What? wait, what?
Why do I have GJ? I should have buy. Why do I have GJ place here? I mean buy stops. What am I doing? There you go. Buy some 150, 175. Marcos, how are you gonna look to enter this position here?
Same as you.
Lovely. Previous candle stops, 30-minute candle stops, I guess. Right.
Yeah, previous candle stops. Target is way up at 30 pip target for me.
A little above a 1-to-1. Yeah. Perfect. Oh wow.
Activated?
I believe I am activated here, chat. Got in a buy position here. Stop loss is the previous 30-minute candle low, and TP is up here for around a 30 pip TP. All right, so about a little over a 1-to-1 RR, risking 23 pips for a TP of 30 pips here. How I will manage risk in this case is if price were to continue up here and tap this level of resistance right here, that would be around a 7-8 pip mark, I believe, or maybe even 10. Yeah, 8 pip mark. That's probably when I'll look to move my stops to break even, making it a risk-free trade here. But as of right now, this is a trade that I'm in, and that is my stop loss. You can also use a 15-minute lows, I guess, too, previous 15-minute lows, but I'm using this as is the current 1 hour stops. So, yep. Let's see. Where is my break even mark again? Let me just put a line there just so I can show you guys later on. Perfect. Yep. Nice. 4 pips of profit here. Yes. This is.
I need some more first.
Yeah.
Like 230, 240 ish. Give me another like 1 to 2 pips. Give me
Perfect.
5 or 6.
150.160. Stops aren't break even yet, chat. Almost though. I think almost. Once like another pip or two, I'll move my stops to break even.
Good amount of volume.
Yep. Just a ton of volume. This kind of here shouldn't have flipped though. Wants to drive, obviously. Style, make this way, add text, moving, stop loss to break even here. I may consider using once you re-break these highs here, I may consider using, or actually yeah, once you re-break these highs here, I'm just gonna move stops to break even. I was gonna say I would consider just moving my stops to the current candle lows, but it's basically break even after that.
I moved my stops to the current 30-minute low.
Oh, you got it. I forgot you got it too.
150, 125.
Like
Down
it.
to flip.
Yeah.
Save myself like 20 pips.
Yeah. What was your entry exactly? Like on the break with the highs?
Yeah, 150, 180.
Good stuff, sir. Good stuff, sir. This is the first time in a while where we've had the same trade in a day. It's
Yeah,
like
it's been a minute since we've had the same trade.
Yeah.
GJ kind of just did exactly what we wanted all day long.
Yeah.
Called every single candle closure for the past 2 hours.
Watch this one just go down, hit our stops. Of all the ones that we, you know.
Oh.
Nice. Going to move my stop loss to break even here, making this a risk-free trade here. And that is how I Carlo checked it. That is how I manage the positions in this case. All right, so I'm risk-free here, chat. Let's see what we got going on.
Same.
We're definitely in break even.
Yep. Tap this mine resistance to the left too, I guess. Somewhere around there.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
Yeah.
I'll take a break even trade here. Had the volume starting to struggle now.
Also, managing risk wise, you guys can look to do anything you guys want. You guys could look to not move stops to break even, look to move your stops up to the previous 15-minute lows instead. Whatever it is that you want to do, it doesn't have to necessarily be exactly like how we manage risk, because obviously everyone manages risk a bit differently. But this is just what I've always been doing for the past like time, right? So if you do break even here, the good thing about this is that we can probably wait for the 1 hour candle close and look for more entries after we get the 1 hour closing above the range, because again, we're nearing the last 15-minute candle of this hourly here, and at any given point we can just pull back and then retrace and close above 150 still. So
now it's gonna hit TP because it hit my break even.
Yeah, just
Same.
Now
Same, Marcos.
Now that it's
Yeah.
taken me out, we're good to go.
Yeah, hit my break.
I got hit by just by spreads, took me out, and I'm sure you know what's crazy. I know Don's still in. He didn't get hit.
Yeah.
no, I'm still in. Yeah, I'm still in.
For some reason, Don has like his own broker, and he's not telling anyone. I'm telling you.
Bro, I use trader's domain.
Your stuff never activates late, and it never activates early, and it never closes.
My
early.
entry
It's
was
always-
150. My entry was 150, 160 to be exact. Like on my broker, which is like right here.
Mine was 176.
I don't want to hear it.
Oh, pushing up here. That's okay.
Nice, bro. Nice.
I want to hit break even too, just because I feel bad.
Straight up.
I feel bad. I want to hit break even. Yo, Mike or Mega, can we hit break even, please? No, it's all good.
Yeah, that's driving 40 pips for the culture.
Yeah.
40 pips for the culture.
That's hilarious.
Someone said stop me out. Someone said BE.
150-273, 150-273.
Is it wrong to have taken 12 trades this morning?
12 trades? That is
No, it's fine, sir. Ooh, gold 30-minute salary play.
I saw that.
chat at this line. I believe once I get the 9-10 pip mark, I'm gonna go to close half my position, securing half, and then let the runner go until TP. But I didn't get 10 pips yet, obviously. I get though. I popped the 5 lot on the trade as well. I went half risk. I didn't go full risk just because our stop loss was a bit more than 20 pips. Went half, went with the 5 lot instead of a 10 lot. So manage risk as so. But hey, at least we move, you know, we manage risk. They're our job. They're our part here on this trade. Yeah, market maker actually might give me a break even before giving us 10 pips.
No, that's gonna push right now. It's gonna.
Did you hit break even, Wixline?
Yeah.
Damn. How about you, Carlo or Michael? Or anyone else that entered?
Everyone hit break even.
'Cause,
Really?
Just you.
We account for spread. It's just, I don't know.
I always account for spreads.
Yeah, and that's what took me out. But that's not a big
I'm
deal.
still
We're still gonna get a move.
Yeah, it's a shit ton of volume here, especially on I don't know, Yen Holiday too. What up, Reza?
Yeah, nothing, I was
Reza.
just saying I was still in. Mine's good.
Oh, yours good? Ah, there you go.
Yeah.
Don't let me so.
9 pips.
Nice. Yeah, 9 pips really? When did you enter on the flip of the candle? Oh, okay, I see. Makes sense. So you got 10 then, basically, at one point. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of break even. I like 10 goal stop loss for my risk management. Yeah, I mean, you can not have a break even, move your stops. You manage your risk as you use the most recent 15-minute lows or whatever it is in that case. Yeah, you can do that as well. But I was thinking very close to 10 pips here. Why is it so quiet, chat?
Bro, my Trader's Domain withdrawal finally hit.
Finally! Holy shit, man! Damn, that was like what, three weeks, bro? It wasn't even a crazy withdrawal. It wasn't even like, you know.
Yeah. Plus K or something.
Yeah, it was. That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's very inconsistent. That's the thing. Sometimes it's like, for me at least, it's not a problem for me because I'm patient with it. Like, I know there's brokers out there that are a lot quicker, but like I'm not in no rush to get it. But at the same time, obviously it's money. You obviously want it quick. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's slow. It's depends. It's just weird. I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, I wasn't in a rush for it either, but
yeah.
You got your 10?
I got my 9, I think, here in this case. I believe. Yeah, I got 9. I didn't get 10 yet. I'm looking to close half at 10 though. Oh, here we go. Can we get 10?
Yes.
I'm gonna close half my positions are actually at 9 pips here, chat. 9.5, 9 pips here. Closing half my positions here, and then gonna let the rest run until TP at 150.473 here. So I don't want to play it.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
I do it one time, but you know it's not the same when you know these guys hit break even here, and you know it's not the same.
No dances
it's
in the
not,
Zoom.
Yeah, it's not the same when these guys aren't taking it with me, or aren't in it still. But hey, W trade for sure. The streak continues. We're now 9-0 for the month of July on the streams here. No losses. Oh, this kind of has no bottom wick. Nice opening here. Haven't seen this in a while. Usually it's the opposite. Wow. Once you flip her, chat, you can look to move your stops to the current kind of low if you want to manage risk that way. But I was gonna have it at break even.
Lost. That's facts and fact.
Yeah, at least none of us lost. Yep.
Down $40 in commissions.
Boo. no one talks about commissions more than Wix 9, bro. This dude hates
because it's a thing, bro. It's really a thing, especially when you're popping bigger lot sizes. Like if you, in my opinion, if you don't account for your commissions and stuff, and you're popping big lots,
now. Like, I can tell you how much I paid in commissions this week, and it's only Wednesday.
It's all right.
It's a what?
Is it a Wednesday?
You're gonna pay your commissions. I mean, you're gonna write those off anyway. So like, just assume that you don't even pay commissions.
I mean, just because you write it off,
taxes. It's just taxes you're gonna pay to the government if you don't have commissions. If you don't account for the commissions, so
balances out.
It balances out. Like you're good if you write it off.
Oh wow, we're not gonna. Okay, there we go. There's a flip. I was gonna say we're just gonna continue down to break even here, not flip bullish on this 15. The only reason why I'm expecting like a flip here is just because the 15 closed obviously above the range as well as this kind of has no top wick here, so we're expecting it to flip in this situation. If I didn't get in a position here, actually, you know what? Get back. There's a resistance right here on the 15-minute time frame, right around there. Everything closed above. I was gonna say if I didn't get in, I'll answer a buy stop there, but oh, I think I hit break even here. Oh wait, oh very close, very close. And I break even. All right, so nice. I got out at break even here after we close half the positions, which does not mean that this trade is invalid now. From our entry, it's obviously invalid, but This 15 here, as long as it respects this low, should still continue to push up here, right? And obviously, since our entry was here, we can't really do anything about that. So this count could still flip here to continue up, as it did close bullish, and it's respecting
You did ask the
your
market
slow.
maker, to be fair.
Yeah, but at least the market maker gave me a half closure.
He gave you half. He
was nice.
No, he didn't want us to see runners, but he also didn't want you to lose.
Yeah.
So he gave you a win and let us all be happy.
If this was poker, Don basically collected everyone's blinds just now.
What does that mean?
That means everything that we put in, that's what you collected. Between like the four of us.
Oh yeah.
In commissions, that's what you just collected.
I went a half lot on that trade too, so a very small percentage I made, but it was still a good. I like the way I managed the positions and all that. Pretty good.
What about the money? A win's a win, and you know,
Yeah.
it's a win for confidence too.
Yep. It was a trade that we would always take too, right? So it wasn't anything random or crazy. Surprisingly today, G looks a lot cleaner than gold today though. A lot cleaner.
Look at the GJ 4-hour closure now.
Yeah, 11 minutes for a closure. Are you guys staying on late today for another move? I may.
I'm down to take another move.
Yes.
I mean, GJ buys are still valid to me all the way up until 150, almost 151.
150, 150, Yo, 1 hour closure above the range here, plus the 4 hour closure as well. 11 minutes, so that'd be perfect for more buys. Be patient, chat. You have plenty of opportunities today, like Andre said, plenty. Did the 15 flip? No, not yet.
Gold is getting dangerously close to that weekly celery play to the downside.
We closed below 1796.86 on the hourly. I'll look to anticipate some sells coming down.
Gold. Damn, that 4 hour gold is man, I wish it was a lot cleaner.
Crusty.
Yeah, crusty. 1 hour closure below where, Andre? Where'd you say?
1796.92 on the hourly.
Nice. Oh, right here. I see where you got that. I think it's right there.
Yeah. Yep.
And then you have clean traffic driving price down here towards the next level of support, which is gonna be down here. Therefore, you can kind of just, yeah, perfect. Oh, that 30. Oh yeah, 30-minute support is fine. Yeah. Yep. Because you're going off the hourly, right? I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I just need a top wick on this hourly candle that's decent because it's the open of the new 4 hour as well.
How are you gonna use stops in this case though?
I'll use current candle stops on the
Oh,
top
yeah,
wick of the
yeah,
hourly
yeah.
if it's decent.
Yep. Oh, GJ flipping here. Yeah. Target should get tapped here today, chat. High likely GJ will likely tap 15500 here. It's just a matter of how you're gonna get in and where you're gonna get in now at this point. So 15 is now flipping. Once it flips, it should be Chabala. Last 10 minutes of the hourly as well.
I want an onion. Want it to come back.
I feel like I missed the boat on GJ. I feel like any entry I'm gonna be like less confident than the entry that we had earlier. So I think I'm gonna stay out of GJ for the rest of the session.
I hate that, Marcos. I've
Don't
been there
feel.
many times.
Yeah, like I just feel like I have one less confirmation than I did earlier. So now it's
You know,
like,
this the number one tip I can give you is every trade is different, and like
yeah,
I've had like this time one time. I think Andre had too, where like we go on a winning streak, right? And then we start to feel hesitant after. It comes back to the same thing as this. It's not really the same exact situation, but like you get this hesitant, you know, because I just blanked out. You get hesitant because
okay.
you go on this huge winning streak and take that one loss, and now you're confident. You feel like, because you're very like the more wins you take, I say, the more precautious you feel for your trades. So you have that hesitancy. In this situation for you, however, I would say just treat every trade the same. and treat it as a new trade. Treat it as if you just open up the charts and just try to imply that into your head, I guess, into your mindset for trading. Like nothing in the past has happened before. You know, it's a new trade, new day. But the moment when you start to see opportunities and you don't take them, and then it plays out, that's gonna fuck you up even more though, long term. Because then you're like, I should have took it. Something I would normally take, but I didn't take it because I was emotional. That's gonna be 10 times worse. So I'd rather just take it, rather than to not take it. You know what I mean?
Gotta be like a robot.
Yeah, like a robot. This is why I oppose using stops break even. I feel like I wasted a stop loss. I mean, you can do that as well. I mean, Brody, whatever you want to do, right? At the end of the day, I'm still gonna manage risk the way I do. It's just what works for you works for you, what works for me works for me, right? At the end of the day, it's all different when it comes to management. Yeah, like Tyler said, your last trade doesn't determine the results of your next trade. Like I'm on a win streak right now, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna be on a win streak forever. You know, just doing the same thing every day.
I will say, if we didn't use like the break-even strategy, this win streak would not exist.
Yes, good point.
We've had what, I think it's 9 wins in a row or 10 wins in a row.
Yeah,
and we've had probably another 10 break-even trades in that month span. So it's the difference between, you know, going 10-5 or 10-7 versus going 10-0.
15's flipping here. Say ciao Bella, chat. Say ciao Bella here. Did I expect this 15 to flip? Yes. Did I know it was gonna flip? No. You don't know. You expected to flip though. But since your entry is here, break even. Period. Can't do anything about it. At all. But I think a lot of people might have moved their stops to the previous 15-minute lows. Those people would have survived, I think. This flip. Pushing up here. Yes, Luke, good point. Yeah, like just because you have 5 reds in a row, it doesn't mean the chances of you getting a red in the next spin. Every spin is different. But then again, roulette is so RNG though. You guys ever played roulette?
Yeah, roulette. It's fun. It's fun.
Do you place on colors? Do you place on numbers? What do you do? What do you do?
I always do the 50-50. I'll like go every time I go to casino. If I win, I'll take like half of my winnings and I'll throw it on red or black. And then I either increase my winnings by 50% or I lose 50% and leave in profit, break even trade, and then I go home. It is very RNG, but I mean, that's the casino in general. Casino, the roulette, you got to think roulette's the one game at the casino where you are guaranteed 50-50.
No.
Most games you're like...
Baccarat is...
Yeah, baccarat. Most games you're like 49.
Because...
The casino has to have an edge in most games, whereas in roulette, you're always 50-50 if you use black or red.
I don't think roulette's... Nice. I don't think it is because you have green.
Yeah, you're right. But like, it never hits green, I promise. Have you seen it hit green, Wix 9?
Yes,
you definitely have.
I have.
You've probably been. I've never seen it hit green in hundreds.
Roulette?
Yeah.
I don't play roulette. I play poker, and that's it.
I want to play poker. Poker's fun.
People think like, I don't know. How do you guys feel about people saying how like gambling is the same thing as trading? I think it's a lot different because in trading you can like go off of probability. When you're gambling,
you also have probabilities, and you know the thing is, poker is just
probability.
You know, it's you're not playing against the house really. You're playing against other people there. So that's why I like it. I go for the camaraderie and just enjoy my time and sit down maybe at a 5-5 game or 5-10.
Blackjack guy.
But yeah, I got most of my friends will sit down. They just like the thrill of just random cards and blackjack, and that's it.
What if you were to apply the same like risk management rules and bankroll rules?
There's people that make money on it, but you're not ahead in any single game. You know what I'm saying? Like in trading, we're ahead in positions we take because we've tested it. We know what works. And in any card game, any casino game, you're never ahead.
The house is always ahead, right?
Always. Why would you? So what's the point?
Yeah.
Why would you want to throw away your money where you can put it here where you know you're ahead in certain positions?
This takes a lot more skill. That's why.
Yeah.
Is poker harder than this, FX?
Just different, but money management it's a lot of similar psychology.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
It's a good book about this. It's called Trade Like a Casino. It relates trading to gambling.
How many books have you read, Marco, about about FX or trading in general?
Like 1.5.
Oh, I thought you, bro, you have so many books. I thought you read like 6 or 7 books, minimum.
Well, no, they're not. There's not many good books directly about Forex, in my opinion. I prefer to just read like general psychology books, mindset books, stuff like that.
You trade I know everyone has read the book Trading in the Zone.
Yeah, that one's it's the GOAT right there.
Or if anything, not that if you're not at that level, yeah, you probably read Candlestick Bible.
The Candlestick Bible is the only one I've read ever on Forex.
Yeah, I never read any books before. I have the PDFs of them, but I haven't read them. I don't think I'm gonna.
I only read it because my first mentor was like, "Oh, you should read this. This is gold." I read it and it wasn't gold.
Jared Tendler, the mental game of trading is very good. Mental game of trading. I should make a book, eh? Eh?
Eh?
I need a ghostwriter though, because me writing a book, wow,
It's a lot of work.
I can't even say Hannah right.
It's gold rejection is fat. Take that 4 hour.
So how's a ghostwriter work? Do you have to like literally like tell them everything that you want on it from start to scratch, and they just like write it up for you?
I have no idea.
I need like I think it'd be easier if it's someone in the chat that's a ghostwriter, then that you know is a ghostwriter, and they can write for me because they can't know what we do, at least. No, I can't read. I just read your comment.
40 seconds till closure here.
Yes. Andre, I think if we close below here on the alley candle, we should be goody for this wick fill here on gold here coming down to fill this range. Plus the 4 closing below that support as well. If a little range go down, but it's pretty clean. 20 pip range.
I think GJ is cleaner than gold right now, in my opinion.
Yeah, GJ 100% cleaner. Yeah. Oh, can you get top wick?
A little bit here. Locked in the GJ. It's 30-minute closure. Hourly stops are just obviously too big.
I want the onion.
I want the onion.
I want the onion here, but it's gonna be a while before we get the onion play here. A while.
No, why we get a 930 onion? It's possible.
$13 pip stops on the 30-minute.
Oh, Michael's dipping.
Need a bigger bottom wick.
Yeah, chat, this is a new forward candle here that's opening up here. Forward candle closed above the range. Obviously you have clean traffic driving price up here towards 150.469 here. Like Andre just said, you probably need a decent bomb wick of this new forward candle before we continue up here. So what I'm looking for here is if on a small time frame, the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, if we can get or just push up like that, if we can get like a resistance being formed there and then a bear channel closure at this resistance or at some resistance to come down to make a support, and as support we close bullish, I'll look for buys going back up as the onion play. But that's the only way I can look for an entry here in this scenario here, I'll say.
This shit's gone.
Yeah, this shit's gone.
That is already 9 pips already, 8 pips on the closure. 7 pips on the closure.
Marcos, 5-minute or 15-minute start player on a new forward count. I thought you would have entered.
It's like a 1 pip bottom wick.
Yeah, the bottom wick was a factor here in this case.
I was actually gearing up to place buy stops on the break of the high, but again, it was a 1 pip bottom wick. Looks like it's chopped for the day. There's your 10. Oh my goodness.
Yep. I think our break even, yeah, we probably would good so in that position there. With 20% profit, maybe 29 for break even runners. Not bad. That 15-minute start play wasn't bad too. Like, if you look where it was your type of start play too, Marcos, I think. Or no, it wasn't. It was right at that resistance.
Yeah.
I thought I closed above. Why don't you just hold positions? We do. We had a 39 pip TP on Monday. Tuesday we had 11 pip TP, and today we had a 9 pip break even trade. Why don't we hold? Because we do the same thing every day. We follow the same plan every day, and that is to move stops to break even. Once you get around 89 pips, close half at 10, and then let it run and go until TB. And we do that every single day. Because we're not long term, the probability of us being profitable by doing that and managing risk like that is very high. I'm not looking to switch things just because I want this day, or I want that or a day, right? I always do the same thing every day. I feel like this July has been pretty clean. Like, you know, not bad. It was a bit rough at the start, but it's been picking up lately. Especially GJ. GJ definitely picked up. Nice, you caught that move. Nice. Good stuff. What is your main risk to reward? The average RR we have is probably a 1-1 or 1-2 RR trade, I want to say. Chat, if you guys feel like it's a FOMO, or like you guys feel like, you know, you guys, it sucks because, you know, we had an entry here and price is pushing up now. It comes back to what Marco said earlier. Yes, we did hit break even, and it might suck today, but another day when that same thing were to occur again, I guarantee you will lose a lot more trades if you weren't to move your stops to break even like the way we do, or like the way we've you know, trained to do, at least. So long-term probability. 10% something for a day. Thanks, Don. No worries, man. I know a lot of people caught these bias or got more benches in here. How's gold doing? 1 hour create. Oh, 1 hour and gold has a nice wick. Oh, okay. 4 can't just flip there. Andre's in a position. Andre's gonna move slots to break in right now as we speak. Risk free. And he's about to close half at 10. Look at just nodding. Andre, you got it right for sure. 100%. This is your trade. Nice top wick being created.
17.99 10 is the entry.
Yeah.
Stop loss was the current candle high. The 1801 like 19.
Get 10 pips at?
Target was that. Yeah, I got 10 pips. I got like 12 pips.
Close full.
30 minute was the target at like 17.95.83. It was pretty quick.
You close full? Nice, good stuff. Yeah. We're at the same something. We're at the same move. Wow, nice. Sussbergen is very effective. Don has shown it. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we still got a win today. I don't know why we didn't get a win today. We got a win today still. At least. Oh, my bad, Andre. I just muted you by accident.
Alright, I have to go because I have a lot of stuff to do today. But thank you for the stream. Thanks everyone else.
Did you catch your position?
Pardon?
Catch your win?
Yeah, I took a break even on gold and then I got 27 pips on GJ. So that was nice.
27 pips. Let's go.
Yeah,
Turn me up.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man.
I made the same mistake though. The first time I hit 10 pips, I didn't close like 50%. And then I had to come back down and go back up to 10 pips. But then I closed 50 at 10 pips the second time. I need to work on closing. I think it's greed.
Yeah. Comes back to that.
Yeah. Because it hit 10 pips, I'm like, it's gonna go.
Yeah.
But
Not ready.
Better with that. But yeah, thanks everybody. Have a good stream. And yeah, take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Take it easy, Reza. Take it easy.
Reza.
Peace out. I joke around a lot, but Don and his gang are doing a terrific job with the stream. Thanks for sharing. No worries. I think we had amazing streams these past couple of weeks here. So like super grateful for every night it comes up. You know, we always had like 500 people today. Crazy. 500 people watching today. 500 people caught that trade with us today. If you didn't catch that, you have learned something with us today, at least. Minimum. At least, alright? I'm still looking for positions here, but Let's see. Can't really get much in right now. I mean, the only thing we have for GJ here is buys above 150. Wow, we have a lot of clean traffic here going up. We're basically just retracing the whole entire move from like that 1 week where we had those huge sells on GJ. But with everything being said here, the daily time for today, chat, if we close like bullish today, breaking, I want to say, where can we close above to be valid here? I want to say right here. If we close above this resistance today, tomorrow should be a decent day. I don't want to say algo day, but I kind of want to say algo day just because like it's clean traffic pushing up. Tomorrow's daily candle should pop up to fill that range here. But yeah, we must close above today, but that's gonna be in like 7.5 hours. So we always have to wait for that. But people keep a lookout for my daily analysis later on, when I send it in the Asian session. Andrew, so earlier, like you said, you had a bearish bias for a day, right? So when did you like decide to like, I guess, range 2 breakouts?
Exactly.
So above like 150 is 089, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Pretty clean. Don, you trying to find any accounts? No, I do not. I don't actually. No. Thanks, Don. For today's analysis. No worries. We're still on here, chat. We're not hopping off yet. I'm still on here, just chilling, just relaxing. Get some sun. Enjoy a nice day today. I think today's sunny in Toronto.
Don popped half risk, closed half. He's not done for the day. He's still ready.
I had a 1 clean trade yesterday. I think everyone did. It was full. Today wasn't as clean, I want to say, in that trade. It was still a win though. It's very rare for us though to have a week where we take a trade every single day on stream, just because sometimes the markets don't show that many opportunities. But this week we had a shit ton of opportunities this week, so be grateful that we have this volume here to trade, because without this volume here, we wouldn't be in any positions. I've been using break-even stops since started watching this channel and found my trading so much more stable and consistent. Account is just going up all the time. Yes, because the only reason like I started doing it was closing half and stuff and moving stuff to break-even was because like I always had this thing about managing positions or just this whole thing about not knowing when to secure profits. So I set this plan that at 10 pips I'm always going to close half, always. If not half, then break even minimum. That's comes with a bit more experience, right, for runners like that. But I want to say majority of my positions I do close half to secure that profits, and then I'll have the other half running for a potential runner position. Yes, tomorrow be an algo day potentially. Yeah, tomorrow, especially if tomorrow we close bullish on a daily candle above I want to say 150.062 here tomorrow. Should be a decently algo day tomorrow. Look at all this range tomorrow. Imagine we come to the streams tomorrow and you see us breaking above this resistance here, going up to fill this range here. That's gonna be a lovely trade. Tomorrow's stream. So don't be late for tomorrow's stream. I say tomorrow's gonna be a lot cleaner than it was today. I didn't have high hopes for today, to be honest with you, because of the ways that Dilly was setting up. It's a very weak bullish candle. But yeah. I think we could put our things in trade scald though for GG buys there for sure. 100p. Where is it? From here to here, about 30 pip range. Let's say plus 30. Trade scald. Other gold here was also gold's reflipping here.
15-minute closure on gold in the next 3 minutes might give you an opportunity.
The onion play.
Yeah.
Down to retest these lows here like this. Yeah.
A 15-minute target 1795.92. It's about 26 pips away from like where the candle is now. Top of that 15-minute wick is about 26 pips as well. And then you can use that. Yeah, exactly.
This is your stop. This is your stops. Or yeah, you have 2 entries here, I guess. On the opening of this candle, this is your stops. Or number 2 entry below here later on. If we're closed, this is your stops coming down. I got my range below at 192.200. So if I'm entering, I'm willing to leave runners towards that level, but I'm not sure if I'm looking to enter gold here today. I'm a lot more locked into GJ, to be honest with you guys. Trust the stream. I got you. What'd you catch? Samantha, what'd you catch? We have the best community, chat. W in chat if we have the best community. The least toxic community, I want to say too. US 30 here. Waiting for a closure above on a 30-minute time frame. We're looking for buys as the daily is bullish, the weekly is bearish. Nice. W. Yeah, big W. Yeah. That's the plan though. That's the plan. A lot of people out there, a lot of mentors and other people out there say they want to, they don't want to be toxic, you know, but at the end of the day, they're a bit toxic. Wow. Number one, enter when price broke the wick, got stopped out at break even. You guys have to break even here? And enter on the starter play, pushed up 13% and closed. Nice. This is a good trade here. 30-minute starter play. I just don't know. Why was your stop loss here for a 30-minute starter play? That trade made sense though. Entry type made sense, but usually for a starter play, you probably want to have your stops. You probably want to have your stops at the most recent or current 15-minute lows of that candle. W Andre. Wandre. W Marcos. Warcos. W Don. Juan. You know, from now on, guys, whenever we win the trade, call me Juan. W-O-N. Juan. Wix9. Wix9's already a W. Warlow. What up, Warlow?
I'm always a W.
On losing days though, we'll call her Lon, Londre, Larcos. Different names for different days. Wanwo. Man, that's
You're not calling me Lix9.
Lix9. What's up, Lix9?
That's funny. Lix9, yes sir.
Oh, you always have a 10 pip stops no matter what. I don't change my stops. I see. I mean, hey, if that's what's been working for you, I mean, clearly it's been working for you. Clearly it's been working for you. Go ahead. Continue to do so.
What? You only got a 10 pip stop? Like you don't go off candle
I
structure?
swear his charts, her stop loss is usually like below candle lows. That's how I was surprised. Or maybe, hold on, let's see. Okay, no, he's not in that one. Let's go with Jordan FX charts. Just go to Jordan FX. Wow, you delete a lot of stuff. I can't find anything. Jordan FX. Where is the position that you have entered?
She, isn't it? It's a girl, no?
Jordan, I don't know, his Samantha's is their YouTube name, but their Discord is Jordan FX, so I'm confused. Where is the trade you're in? It's been a while. Right here. This is the previous kind of high, right? Your entry was 153.068 and your stop loss was, I mean, that is 10 pips. But
really good entry, yeah.
But it's a previous kind of high as well. That, yeah, majority of trades were the previous kind of high. What depends how big the wick is? I see. Makes sense. Chat, if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you guys go leave a like on the stream. Subscribe if you guys haven't done so yet. Some Samuel, Jessu, Dennis, Raphael, Kasu, Nian, Snazzy. Thanks for subbing, man. Appreciate that so much for joining today's stream and getting involved into the community today. Been W vibes. We can close above here in 12 minutes here above 154.469. That'll be perfect vibes going up for us today. But we must close above here. Let's see. This 15 is unclosed. This 15 will close no top wick here. Wow, we might get a 15-minute start play perhaps even. 15-minute here closed with no top wick indicating that there's no range to continue up. Therefore, we have a very high chance that this current 15 will close bearish here at this resistance. So once you close bearish, you can place a buy stop on a break of the highs, indicating that once you break those highs, we should be in chow bella territory to continue up for the 15-minute start play, which is similar to what we had down here earlier on. So that'd be perfect. You guys know when the last time we took a start play was? I think it was in like May, honestly, or June. What are you waiting for, Marcos?
I'm peeking at the 15-minute onion on gold.
15-minute onion play on gold. Nice. Once you flip it, looking for positions coming down?
No, I'd wait for the break of the low.
Break of the lows. Current candle lows?
Previous candle lows is the 4-hour lows.
Nice. How are you, Andre? What you're doing? We look down bad today at this point. Drained.
I like Marco's entry. I think I'll get on the flip though.
I was
Save
thinking
myself 2 pips.
I was thinking more so on the flip too. For Marco's entries because that's around a 3-pip difference, and because right you have a support right here, right at 1796. So we might as well take advantage of that support. But I'm not looking to enter gold here. Looking more towards GJ.
GJ.
Yes, sir. How big are 30-minute stops here? Wow. 25 pips for a TP of 43 pips. Part 2, chat? Part 2?
Salary play was the play.
Yeah.
On the 15.
Yeah, decent stops, yeah. It's okay. How do we join the live? You are in the live, but if you want to join a Zoom calls, the only way to get in or only get access to a Zoom calls is if you are enrolled into the course. But that's the only way to get into Zoom. I've been getting a lot of questions recently too about, you know, maybe having an extra fee to join the Zooms, but I don't think there's any point or purpose of that because at that point you might as well watch. You might as well just watch from the YouTube side, right? I don't know. Doesn't really make sense to me. I'd rather just have like, you know, people that are trying to learn or people people who are trying to learn, trying to get educated, join the Zooms and ask questions there. But if you're experienced, you can't just pay to get in, and it's just like, what's the purpose of that? Doesn't make any sense, right? Is there an onion tutorial or something? Yes, there is. Put exclamation point onion and boom. Samantha, I'm about to course just to join the Zoom. Dedication. I mean, you've been making a shit ton of those trades there on GJ every morning. Anyways, my GJ runner is still running, trading stops. Nice, Brody. You did a very good job managing risk today. It was a bit different from what I did today, but you did a very good job of that, and now your thing's still running here.
Love seeing people in the chat that, like, I don't know, we know from like 2 or 3 months ago that were like not where they're at today, and now they're like making like fire moves. Like I remember Brody, Jack Fung, Simon. I know just a bunch of people that were like would not take the positions they take now and manage them on their own, and now they're taking their own positions, killing it.
Yeah, That's actually crazy. I remember Mr. GXTR. I don't know where he went though. He's gone.
Climbing up the ranks on the low.
I remember Brody though. I think Brody had a chalk chart, right?
Oh, he just posted a chart for you, Mr. JXTR.
He did? Where?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Perfect timing. Oh no, not Mr. JXTR. My bad. No, not you, not you. Who's the other guy? The M plus RC guy. Remember what's his name? He lives in the UK. He had like a black and white display picture. He trades crypto now or something. I plan to trade my stops to previous count lows until 151, 196. Next 4 resistance, I exit if my trail gets hit or TP hits. Nice. Yeah, that's a nice trail, man. That's like at least minimum 6-7 pips. Yep. Very nice chart here. And then you have a runner until your 4 resistance, you said? Wow. That runner has another potential. So what was your entry here? 150, 119, 150, 119, 196.
Jeez.
Fuck. 119. Wait, 119 is like over here somewhere. Wow. 79 pip range? Or no, it's higher than that. It's a lot higher than that. Wow. 100 pip range. Runner going up. Yeah, you have a lot of potential here on GG here today. A lot of potential here. I'm just not sure where I'm gonna look for entries here. Perhaps the 30-minute time frame, but stops are a bit big for my second trade of the day today. They're around 30 pips, but again, treat every trade as you normally would if you weren't to be in one. Mr. CJ, wasn't it? Yeah, it was Mr. CJ, I think. Yeah. Leave me on gone. I'm still here. Yeah, I met the other guy. You guys all trade together? We trade like on stream together, yeah. But we don't obviously the same positions together. Today was actually the first time that me and Andre had the same entries today in a while.
So this isn't Warzone?
This isn't Warzone?
I'm in the wrong class. Warzone 101.
Soon switch to London session. My household don't understand my work 100%. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. Gotta do. Yeah, your parents aren't always gonna agree with your decisions. They aren't always gonna support your decisions. But a lot of entrepreneurs wouldn't be where they are today if they listen to their parents only. So
100%.
Their parents just tell them like, oh, go to school, finish college, get a job, and be a whatever doctor, whatever, right? Which is fine, but like, not every kid wants to do that growing up. Or kids have more and bigger dreams, I guess. But yeah, take the entrepreneur life is a bit riskier because it's not guaranteed. You're not guaranteed a diploma or you're not guaranteed something. But again, going to school isn't guaranteed a job as well. So which guarantee would you rather have? The guarantee that may come with more, money, or the guarantee that comes with a little less money? Do you want to be your own boss, or do you want to be working for a boss at the end of the day, I guess? So, did you go to school? Yes, I did. Not for college though. Maybe like a year, and that was it. Yeah, I took a break. What's it called? Not a break. What's it called? A break year, I guess.
Gap year.
Gap year. Yeah, I took a break, and then obviously with that break, put my head into FX, and now we are here trading here today, 3 years later.
9:30 a.m. kill zone time coming in 5 minutes.
Nice. Very, very nice.
Very nice.
I haven't played Warzone in so long, chat.
You miss it or no?
I mean, I've been playing, but not like consistently.
Growing up, video games aren't as exciting.
Nah,
anymore.
I've been going out, like exploring nature a lot more than playing games. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
I've been like riding my bike a lot more,
Dude, I used to be a crazy gamer, and then like within like 2 or 3 year period, everything switched. Like I could care less for video games.
Yeah. The thing about gaming is I go through phases. I get addicted. I have an addictive personality. So if I'm addicted, I'm addicted. But then I get bored and I just never touch it ever again. I don't know. What was the biggest hurdle you faced to be professional? What does that mean by professional? Like profitable? The biggest hurdle I would say was figuring this out, because no one taught me this ever. And this is what I'm trying to teach you guys, which is a video I'm putting in my course very soon. Sample sizing. This is like something that no one ever taught me, and without this, I wouldn't be where I am today. This literally saves you from emotion, saves you from taking, you know, sticking to your plan every day and not looking for anything else except for yourselves and your plans. This is something that I haven't seen anywhere else in any other course or anything ever, or a mentor has never preached. Because once you figure this out, this is all you're gonna follow. You don't care about anything else. Like, do I care about price pushing down right now? No. Do I care that price is rejecting that I want to sell here? No. I'm looking for a closure above. I'm looking to use a previous order make has my stops, and that's all I'm looking for. If you don't get that, you don't get that. Simple.
But you got a 15-minute celery. Like
yeah, you have a 15-minute celery play. You have that as well, which is also part of my sample sizing.
150, 500.
Yeah.
Buy stops.
What is sample sizing? Sample sizing is when you go back and you back test and look at your entries and setups, and you test out those literally same exact entries and setups over and over and over again for a period amount of time, or you know, maybe 100 times, whatever times until you feel comfortable, to a point where you know the percentages of the win or loss ratio within that trade, and then you can look to only take the positions that have, you know, those high winning trade setups. And that's what sample sizing is, and it's very important because you will literally avoid anything that you wouldn't like you have no need to take those positions. And the reason why I say it's the hardest part is because a lot of people, when they win trades in the beginning of their stages, they don't really understand why they're winning the trades. They're just taking trades they won, sent to their friends, sent to the Instagram, cool, I won a trade, made X and X amount, but can you repeat that same exact trade again, right? There's a lot of detail that comes within it. So that's the hardest part for me, figuring out that. Because anyone can make money. I made money my first day trading. I want to trade my second day trading. I want to trade. Did I keep that same win later on though? No. It changed over time. Need a command for that one? I can probably clip that for Instagram later, and then use it as a command whenever people ask for sample sizing. Yeah, in other words, backtest as trade setup and entry at 100 times and determine the win rate as a percentage. A lot of people can't really identify their own trades again though. That's the issue. That's the hard part. Are you able to identify the same trades again? You use backtest software? Yeah, link in the bio. I haven't been on that backtest software in a while though. I haven't been really backtesting a lot. My majority of my backtesting nowadays is just small little details. For example, like no top wicks, no bottom wicks, and it's usually within the streams as I come onto the streams every day and look at our charts over there. Right now, what I'm really looking towards though is the WAP play. I'm looking towards that a lot. So potentially next year we might get an entry for the WAP, but as of right now, you guys know it's been in the works for about 6 months plus now. It doesn't occur often, but I haven't seen it missed one time. It takes time. Everything takes time. And yes, I've been looking at one play for 6 months that I haven't taken an entry on yet. Yes, that is right. That's what I've done. And that's what I've done for a lot of these things I talk about. Closures above ranges, closures below ranges, you know, it takes time. It doesn't come easy. The more time you spend on it, the more time you save on it in the future, and the more money you save. That helps you. 15 minutes start play incoming? Perhaps.
I hate when it breaks the low and the high in the same candle.
I think I talked about that before. The thing is, like, it's a bearish candle, so like it can still come down. It's following a structure technically, right? Because it's a bearish candle. But if it were to break the highs, it's still the same situation, same outcome though. I actually kind of wanted to break the lows too because stops are a bit bigger now. 11 pip stops instead. But 1 hour resistance. Oof.
Yeah, it's closing under there.
30 minutes on close. 30 minutes close right below that resistance as well. Not ideal for me. Kind of want a 30 minute close above here and then a 15 minute starter player or something.
Yeah, which one? 1 hour close above and then a 15-minute celery.
Also on the 15 you have this resistance right here. Yeah. Oh shit. Broke the highs. Andre Marcos, how are you guys? Are you guys in or are you guys chilling? What y'all looking for?
I got in on this 30-minute flip on gold, got 8, and then hit break even again.
Oh, gold, nice.
That is 3 break even trades.
Yeah.
Damn commissions.
Fucking commissions, man, every time.
The volume was crazy there, Marcos.
Bro, I had to move my stops to break even. I probably got more than 8, but by the time I went to close half, I was at like 7, and I was like, and then it just smacked break even.
Nothing you can do there.
You got to prioritize BE before profits, guys. Last thing you want is it go into the negative when it should have been a BE.
Yeah, I had an entry on the re-break of the low. And I had like 8 pips, same as you, move stops to break even, and then immediately it got hit. Like as soon as I slid it down on my MT5, I let go of it, and then the trade was closed. And there's a good chance right now, chat, that it's about to fly down, and Marcos and I are gonna be down bad together, crying, cuddling.
Did you get in on this celery?
I was asking you.
No, I did not get in the starter play. If I did get in, I'll be breaking right now. I'll move stops to break in here if you guys got in. The reason why I didn't get in, there's like that 15 minute, 30 minute didn't close above. 15 minute was also that resistance as well. Thing is, like, you have a shit ton of ranges here. Like even if you don't get in on that 15 minute starter play, it's like a closure above here and a 15 later would take us up towards that range anyways. So I'd rather just wait for that honestly than take that 15 starter play there.
Might not ride up. It might, because like you said, there's a 15-minute zone right there. So it might respect that. Give us celery within the zone. Again, to go up.
Yeah.
Oh, holy shit, it's flying.
And since like I might look for entries on the next 15-minute candle chat. I'm not gonna be as worried on the last 15 minute of the hourly here, just because you have a new 4-hour candle already that's been formed. This is just the beginning of the 4-hour candle, plus the new 1-hour candle has been formed as well. So, or sorry, yeah, the 4-hour has been formed already. That's basically it. I'm not gonna be as worried using entering the last 15 of the hourly in this situation. Stops in the 15-minute time frame, however, are looking like it's gonna be around on average 22 pips for a TP of 20-30 pips. But hey, we have tapped our daily target today. This is a target was sent, I think, during Asian session, or this morning as well. 150-500 has been tapped. So the T to the T. I don't really want a 30-minute closure though above this range. Everything should be goody though.
I think it might be done.
Yeah, how many trades did you take today?
3 trades. I had 1 break even GJ with you guys, 1 like 11 pip win on gold, and then I had like I counted for spread, so I had like a 1 pip loss there on gold.
Break even, basically 2 break evens, 1 win. Solid day.
2 break evens, 1 win. Yeah, not bad.
Solid day. Yeah. The reason I'm on here still is because you have a shit ton of volume on GJ here, and GJ has so much potential here to drive towards 150-900. Did weekly break the highs? Oh no, weekly is still bearish. Wow. Mark, you're still looking for positions, or what you doing?
Kinda. There's a lot of volume on gold and GJ.
Yeah.
paying attention.
I'm looking for positions around GJ. 8 minutes left for a closure here. For a closure outside this range, sir. I'll say this is like, even if you miss this range though, you have another range after this as well. Above 159, 140. You have so many clean ranges today on GJ. Like this is definitely an algo day here. What we have right now being formed.
30 minutes flipping again on gold.
I know.
I'm surprised you guys took gold. It's GJ. She looks a lot cleaner right now. Did you able to get any entries on GJ? We had one earlier today, but not yet. We're looking for one in 7 minutes here though. Looking for an entry for buys here above the range.
Argos. I got in on gold again.
So did I.
Jesus.
I got it on gold and closed full at 11 pips.
I closed half.
Is that your fourth trade?
That's like my fifth trade, bro. I'm down bad. I overtraded, Chad. Don't be like Marcos. I'm not
surprised. I'm actually kind of surprised. Like,
I am not.
You guys gone gold.
Don't be this guy.
Don't be us today. That's all right. Now
I'm down bad today for sure.
I'm fucking done. All right. Ciao.
I love how he goes Marcos and I'm like Andre.
I knew we were both salty on getting stopped at break.
Chad, this is why I can't stream. This is why I can't.
If you guys stream those trades, Chad, be like, what the fuck? Chad just be like, what the fuck is that?
I'd be like, anticipation.
Anticipation.
That was my confirmation. Confirmation was experience and cojones.
yeah. Imagine I did that on stream. 4 trades. Nah. It was a good trades. We're just getting on there. On the break of the 15 minute starter player or something.
30 minute came up and made a bigger top wick and then reflipped.
Jeez.
Yeah, got back in.
I think it made sense. It definitely made sense. 1 hour is definitely
100%.
4 hours definitely clean. I wouldn't look at the 15 though. Look at that 30. 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, it made sense. But I'm just surprised you guys chose gold over GJ to take that many positions there.
Something about gold, man. Whenever
I know. Yes, love gold.
I have to defer to gold because I'm so aggressive with my BEs, and it's just like it's hard to have both mindsets at the same time. Like if I'm locked in on gold, I have to be locked in because it's a more aggressive mindset. I can't just go and take a GJ chariot at the same time. You know what I mean? Like, because then I'll move my stops to break even at like 2 pips on GJ if I do it the same that I do on gold. Like gold is fast.
Yeah.
It was awesome. I closed full.
This is hilarious how I was like, Marcos? We both took the same entry.
Try if we close above here and we get a decent bottom wick or a small bottom wick, I'm gonna look to enter on a break of the highs at 156.47. However, if we get a decent bottom wick, I'm gonna look to enter on the opening or on the flip of the candle instead for GJ buys here. With the trading strategy of 10-7 trades should be profit. I mean, I guess we are 78% winning trades usually, I'll say. And even if we do lose positions, like majority of our positions are managed, so a lot less than we would normally have our original stop loss at, right? I think the 15-minute starter plan on GJ would have still been alive for people who've entered that. That was a very good entry. That thing came up cleanly. And now you got runners.
You going half risk here?
Perhaps, yeah. Stops were too big, yeah. Another half wrist trade. I haven't had a full wrist trade in a while. Actually, no, yeah, I had a full wrist trade yesterday, actually, on a 10 lot. But it's been half wrist, half wrist.
Yeah. Both celery plays.
We might not even get anything here, honestly.
Yeah.
Oh, might just drive up towards 150, 900 there. Which is fine, chat. Very important to stick to your plan. If I miss the move here, I missed the move. I'll probably call it a day after this if I miss this range here. And call these off streams. I don't know. I gotta see. But we have a shit ton of volume here. Shit ton. I'm out of ammo. How many trades you take, Tyler? How many trades you getting today? Oh, nice, Samantha. Good stuff, Jordan FX. Good stuff, good stuff. Got a runners. Why don't you apply for 200k capital at your prop firm? I could trade a 200k account if I really wanted to trade a 200k account. It's just it has like I'm not looking to trade like the biggest account I can possibly trade. It has nothing to do with that. It comes down to just like comfort level. And I don't believe in like me personally, I don't like trading on prop firms or trading on like a funded account just because you have rules that you have to stick to that just it doesn't make sense, because sometimes it feels like you're forcing positions to pass those challenges. So that's why I would never probably trade with a prop firm or anything like that. I'd rather just trade my own capital, even if it's not as much as a prop firm's capital. If you were offering me $1 million to trade on a prop firm, I wouldn't even do it. It's just, I don't know. For me at least, it's not good. It's not good for me. Yes. Own account is always better than a funded account, regardless of how much capital they give you. Look at the 5-minute on GJ. So clean.
Is this a 1-to-1?
Pardon?
Would this be a 1-to-1?
Well,
Like
I was expecting to close
21.
above here. I need to retrace me here. 52 seconds left. I think for it to be a 1-on-1, it would have to be 27. So hold on.
Like a 24 for 24
Yeah,
type
you
deal.
can use a current count stops if it has a decent wick, but I'm not looking to like force anything if you don't get what you want here.
Look left on the 15. You have that. You see the support.
Yeah,
resistance
we can close
at
above it.
686. Yeah, if it closes above, I would rather use like current candle stops. If it's like a 7-8 pip stop loss.
Marco's entering 7 trade of the day.
Yeah, I just turned it into an aggro. I don't even know why, but it's an aggro day.
Gold aggro. GJ aggro for sure.
GJ was definitely an aggro day in my opinion, but I didn't even. Would I take one GJ trade?
Yeah. That's how I was shocked. I'm like, really, Marcos?
I know. I don't have discipline. I'm sorry, chat. Don't be like me. Look at this cup of water, by the way. It's got a handle.
Wow, a handle.
Sure.
Lovely.
Pinky's up.
Staying hydrated today. The tea, the water.
I've had tea, 2 coffees, tea, and water on stream. I only went to the bathroom 3 times.
H2O.
Chat. So we closed above the range here. I would expect price to continue up here. I am looking for buys as we speak here, but since we closed above and the stops on the previous 30-minute candle lows are all the way down here, you can't really enter an open account just on using the previous candle stops. You probably, because the RR is not there, right? You need to use the current candle stop. So the only way for me to use the current candle stops is if we get a decent bond wick being created before we push up. But in this case, we didn't get one, so there's no positions for me in this situation. This would have been fine. If we got a bond wick like this and then we flipped, I would have been in buys right now going up to fill this range here. But nonetheless, I do expect price to continue up here on this 15-minute candle towards 150-900.
Look at the daily time frame to a T.
To the T today.
The cleanest to the T. It's gonna hit the target for the day too. About 10-15 pips.
151. Yep. That's the target for a day.
A lot of volume.
Lovely. I beat you 5 trades today.
On a bank holiday. Can we point that out?
Yeah, bank holiday too, right? It goes to show like the yen was closed. It had nothing to do with the yen today at all. Pound's still open. Pound's moving strongly. Do you have any news today on the pound? We're pushing so hard on pound today. Nothing. When's the next interest rates for the pound? Because I think that's gonna be pretty interesting. Last time they talk about in the speech said how they're gonna cut rates in the future. So that should be interesting for the economy. Dom built different. Great down creates pressure. Yeah. The funding accounting creates pressure for sure, and pressure is not good in trading. You don't want to feel pressured to enter positions or pressured to be in positions.
Speaking of, I've taken enough trades for today.
Yeah.
I know if I stay on, I'm probably gonna take more. So I'm gonna say ciao Bella. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Great stream.
Great trades, Andre.
Yeah, take care, everybody.
Take care, Andre. Have a great one. Don, do you use currency heat wave? And if yes, give it any weight. So no, I don't use currency heat wave. I don't use any type of currency, volume meter or whatever it is, just because you can tell volume by looking at the charts simply. By looking at candles, understanding the means behind candles, the way it closes, the way it reacts in the ranges, the way it breaks out. That's how you indicate volume. We don't really need like an indicator to determine that for us, right? Again, like I don't really use any type of indicators. I just use my own personal judgment and my eyes. Off of sample sizing, off of experience. That's it. No indicators. Yo, La Flame, happy birthday, bro. How old are you? Turning. Why am I still on stream today? 9:30? I don't know.
Vibes.
Yeah. Oh, did Andre leave? Did he even say bye to me?
He did.
Or did he to me or to everyone?
To everyone.
Bye to him too.
That's fucked up.
Look at GJ go. Woo! Pushing up. Filling those ranges. Wow, nice. Thing is, like, you have another range here. You have another range right here on GJ above this area here. It goes to show, don't try to catch a reversal. Follow a trend until it breaks. I guarantee you a lot of people try to catch a reversal today. Reversal. All those levels for reversals, and it's not worth it.
The thing is, we have another range.
Yeah, we have so many ranges here today. I'm actually gonna delete my
forever
charts and just redo them.
I ain't fucking leaving. Yo, that's gotta be a sound for
What?
long streams. I ain't fucking leaving. Wolf of Wall Street. Anytime you have a stream past 9:30. Yo, Don, you remember that stream that we were on till like 11:15?
Yo, me and Marcus were on to like 11:30, maybe 12:30, and all we did was hit a break-even trade.
Like a 6-hour stream. We were so tired that day too. Like
It was one trade.
We took one trade and we hit break even, and I just took a nap for like 4 hours.
What time was that trade?
Like 11:30, right? It was late.
I don't know. It's 9:50 right now. No, it's not even 10.
We got another couple hours. Throw up. My 9th trade of the day, chat.
I'm telling you, after everything, we're gonna take a trade that we weren't even looking at. It's gonna be gold buys. Watch.
I'm past aggro day. This is an ultra instinct day. It's like a Super Saiyan day.
No, but there's like, you could play range to range. There's lots of room. Ranges are big and clean. And
stock market just opened. Early bird got the worm, and now we're just trading with the banks.
It just goes to show, like, also goes to show that whenever you miss the move or miss ranges going down, like, you technically never missed the move. Like, the sells we missed this whole entire day, or people missed, you're catching a retracement up right now. And this right here in the future is being used as a retracement as well in the future. If we were to ever come down, we'll look left for clean traffic, and we'll refer to this. So if you missed today's buys, don't worry. Do not stress out. Tomorrow's a new day.
Don, I have a question.
What's your question?
Do you feel like the strategies that we use and the setups, I feel like they work so much better when there's volume. Like whenever there's volume, haven't you noticed we are probably like 95% win rate?
Yeah.
Like, I can't remember the last time we lost a trade when there was volume in the market, or on an aggro day for that matter.
You're right. Like algo day, yeah.
We never lose on aggro days. Like almost never. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Not even proud of it. Call 14 pips with GJ, not even proud of it.
I'd be proud of that. I mean, I don't use the 5 on GJ. Maybe I could change that now. There's been volume this month on GJ.
Yeah, because we understand volume, and when it comes in, we're not like we can tell volume when it comes in by looking at candles, right? And we're not just predicting that we're gonna get a breakup. We're not taking impulsive. We're just simply waiting for closures above the ranges to show that we have volume, and take those off of what we see. What's your usual risk to reward for most of the trades? I'll say a 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 on average would be our usual risk to reward on trades. Is your first time here? Perhaps. Hold on. I feel like today's stream was alright. It was alright, right? It was definitely wasn't like a top 15 streamer or anything. It was alright. I was kind of chalked today. I'm not gonna lie to you, chat. I was kind of drained. Yeah, streaming is tiring, chat. As much as you guys think trading is tiring alone, right? But when you're streaming and you're talking to chat for like 3-4 hours, you're non-stop talking to a screen that doesn't reply to you. And then you take the trades, and you manage trades, plus you gotta explain trades, plus you gotta call signals. It gets a bit like tiring sometimes and it's draining, but like I love it. I love streaming. If I didn't love streaming, I wouldn't be streaming right now. I'm trying to start looking for subs. Yeah, and that's the thing. That's why it's very important to only stick to your charts for like maybe 2-3 hours a day, 4 at max, and then call it. Plus you gotta deal with, plus you gotta deal with that sometimes the toxic people in the chat as well. But hey, it's why I got moderators. Nowadays I don't really look at the chat whenever it comes to like that stuff. Mods can't just delete it before I even see it. So wow, gold pushing up here.
I know, tapping that 4 hour resistance. 4 hours still technically bearish. What do you think?
Yeah.
Told you by 11 we're gonna take gold buys.
Onion. Some sort of 15-minute closure at resistance would be clean for those cells.
McLaren traders got bison.
Traders were stacking buys at support. Stacking.
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Thing is, like, here's the thing about this 1 hour candle. Even if we don't close above 150 is 907, and we close above here instead, above here, we have a wick fill to get filled. Let's say it closes like this, we'll still have that wick to get filled as long as it closes above this range here. The only part that will suck is if it closes like this, exactly where it is right now, because you don't have much range to go up. And take right at that resistance too. So yeah, anti-shabby intimate. I think in poker when you have a winning hand, you have to maximize in profits. Yeah. In train terms, for me, that would be Augur days. You have to maximize the potential entries like Marcos did today. 7 entries. It's on charts to stream. I got you. Sorry, chat. Sorry for the low energy today. I'm just a bit like tired. I don't know why.
You've had some energy.
I think it wasn't bad of a stream though.
It's a draining day. There's been so many setups that like you've had to be locked in all day, all morning.
Yeah. I mean, it wasn't bad, right, chat? Today's stream.
It's a dub. You caught a dub on stream.
It's 9 a.m. It's like 10 a.m. here. We still got 300 people watching. That's crazy to me. It's crazy.
Overtraders, baby. Let's go.
Nah, these are all the overtraders right now in the chat. Everyone in here's an overtrader. Enter on the flip, break even at 15 pips, letting our runner to TP. Nice. Good stuff, man. US 30, right? Yeah. Did this one not hit break even for you? Yeah, if it closes like this, chat, I'm gonna call it a day. If it closes like this in 3 minutes, I'm just gonna turn off the stream and call that a session.
We're jogging.
But hey, we're acting as if we didn't get a win today. We got a win today. We got a win today. If not a win, we got a nice breakdown that came up to a T, a confidence booster. Following the daily bias, and boom, 30 pips on GJ call, and then plus 120 pips on a daily Asian session breakdown on a daily candle. Plus on top of that, we took a trade on stream at GJ buys plus 9 pips in a runner, right? So it was still a W today. We got a win yesterday, Tuesday, and then Monday as well. Just be happy that we had volume these past couple days. Better than no rangey. No, better than no volume and range it is. I might have still gotten put on timeout, but still got pips. You got put in timeout from the mods, but you're goody now. Just don't do that stuff again. Whatever you did.
This guy said it again.
Or
I
else
knew it.
you
all
get
day.
banned.
I knew it. Buys all day, GJ. That's why you got banned before.
Yeah.
And now you're banned forever.
Ah shit. Ah shit. He just said it again.
Yep, now you're banned forever.
Up. If you get banned, you can make a new account. That's the thing.
That account's banned.
It's gonna be Robert FX.
So much education people don't even know. Yeah.
Bob.
Lads, can you see me in the chat? Yes, we see you in the chat, lads. Oh man, a minute left for GJ closure. Can we close above the range, or will we reject and call it a session? Find out in the next episode of
Interesante.
You know, chat.
Good trade. Good day.
What? What the?
To this day.
To this day.
We still wait for a closure.
It's the best one.
To this day.
We still show results every day.
To this day.
You still close half at 10 pips.
To this day.
Still wait for a closure. To this day.
You know it's late when there's only 4 people on Zoom.
Oh wow, that's down bad. Hey, Sharif, what's up? Wix 9 Marcos. Don. Yeah. I just got a notification. This is how I know I'm late. I'm late today. Meal number 1, 10:30 to 11 a.m. Man, I'm still on stream. Sounds like Homer Simpson. Not ready to train day. Exactly. Not ready to train day. And tomorrow's gonna be an auger day. I kind of wanted Gita to retrace a little bit here for the day. You know, I want to say that what we have potential for though is if we close above this range here, above 151,200, because then tomorrow's daily candle will likely continue up, but you need that closure above. But I think for now, chat, I'm gonna call that a session. Not much I'm looking for anymore. We didn't close above the range. Like, yes, we still have room to go up. I'll probably call it a single channel if I see anything for paid members. But other than that, like, it's overall chalk in this position for me for a while. All right. I hope you guys learned something today from the streams. I hope you guys, you know, caught some trades with us potentially, or even caught the breakdowns with us. But I want to call it a session. It's been a great one. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. All right. Peace and love. Have a great one, and do not over trade today, because tomorrow's a new day. Peace chat. Peace chat. I'm tired, man. Peace and love. Peace and love.
Mazayin, when I'm pulling up, muddy dungarees. Ay, make the place look like a murder scene. Ay, when I make moves, I'm a money fiend. Suicidal tendencies, what's up, man? Feel like I'm down, I said, what's up? Way too golly, give me money. Cannot trust me, no one ever fucking bust me. Bust me. Look at shit feeling like these drugs make me better than I was, but I never fell in love before the drugs. So now I say what's up, say what's up, yes. Feel to revert to my old ways. Cricket tickets, tracks of cocaine, sticky fingers, shoplifters. We got tools like home base. Lift the finger, dug his own grave. Same with the same name. Closed case, red wine, no rosé. Do genocide for the whole gang. You're telling lies, now I'm energized, I'm more precise. Walking made a big bang. Propane with the rock sand. Gin and tonic on my bigger topic. Bigger pocket, can't close my wallet. Quicker blotting like my name's Sonic. Glass homes, we stone chocolate. Mazayin. When I'm pulling up muddy dungarees, ay, make the place look like a murder scene. Ay, when I make moves, I'm a money fiend. Ay, make the place look like a murder scene. Ay, when I make moves, I'm a money fiend.
Olive, body shaped like a bottle. Pop out off of spinach. Pop a model till she wallow. Drop a toddler off. Damn. Light a flame, toss a Molotov. Drop it off, then I'm mazel tov. Pop a whole goddamn champagne bottle cork. Still might find me in a mosh pit, and I still ain't even corporate. Walked in with who I work with. Yeah. Run up on you while you jogging. Make you listen to my Walkman. Mixtape shit streams, never seen make a whole boat sing. Watch all the hoes pay attention when I walk in. Stroll in like an old man, like a pop like Fozan. Niggas acting like close friends. Fam don't even know me. Tell the kids I'm a grown man. Pop 2 steps, slow dance. Got jokes, uptown, Harlem World, New York like I'm Pop Smoke. Ride around in the drop rolls, watching rats in the pot roast. Finger polish with the top coat, the bottom platinum but the top gold. Bling bling, that's a barcode. Ring ring, that's a smartphone. Beep beep, do your heart go? Slow tie, hear your park go.
Mazayin. When I'm pulling up muddy dungarees, ay, make the place look like a murder scene.